What's up, people? Welcome back. Hopefully, you guys had a good lunch break. Amy up about a third of a percent over here. Spy went all the way back up into the box over here. So I don't know. It's looking decent. So we're seeing the reaction off of the rate hike news from yesterday, taken pretty positively by the overall market. Now we have GME up here, up over a percent right now. Not bad, up 94 cents ahead of its earnings. It's not bad. I mean, we're seeing those cost to borrow numbers start to move around. Let's check a little bit of an update on Amy over here and GME, just kind of see if they've increased, decreased, or what they've done on it. Yeah, still 2.05% average cost to borrow, minimum 1.47, maximum 3.94 with borrowed shares 524,000. That's definitely enough to really find a good average of cost to borrow, and it is coming up, which is a very, very good thing to see. GME over here, what do we got? 8.38%. That's huge. That's huge. It's starting to come up. Like if you look at this right here, if you look at on loan cost to borrow, it ripped. Shares on loan started to come up again, but shares on loan goes first, then cost to borrow starts. I mean, they're still listing GME's cost to borrow right now at 2.58. That should adjust soon because we keep seeing average cost to borrow at 8.38%. Like that is pretty solid over here. But how's everybody doing? You guys doing good? Let's see. Running late like buy. I was not late. I clicked the button and we're back 3 for 3 today on 1348. There you go. Guys, also as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as well. Helps out a whole lot. Get some more people in here. Why is the like button disabled? I didn't do it. It's probably a YouTube thing. GME earnings today? Yup. Kev, how you doing, man? All right, let's see. So Jimmy over here trying to pop up a little bit, up 1.3%. Amy, let's see if we can get it above 1550. That would be a pretty solid move over here. AMC curly shovel inbound, boom, boom, inbound. I'd love to see that, Jorge. Hopefully, hoping GME will bring up AMC. That'd be pretty nice. Kevin, how you doing, man? All righty. I mean, SPY, what's the high? 437.92. It's got 60 cents left to go. SPY could do that in like 2 candles. Mullen Moon Mission? Is it now? Is it now? Let's see. Mullen. Woo! That thing is on a rocket. Jesus. Mullen up 48%. Trey's mustache. I don't know if you're in here yet, but you're probably doing pretty good on those calls if you got them. Problem is here is it looks like these calls are only up about like 130, 180% with the stock up 46%. Not enough. That's like a terrible risk reward with the stock going up 46% and your options only go up to 100. That's just not, it doesn't make a lot of sense. Yes, 69th like. I appreciate that. You think the stock market will trend up because of tax return money? Nah, I think the stock market's going to trend up because of the rate hike news. Because it was kind of all priced in. And that's what I was saying on the initial announcement. I was like, I don't know why it's selling right now. Like, it's not bad. Like, unless it was some weird DOJ stuff and the balance sheet runoff probably spooked some people. But other than that, everything in the meeting was like, yeah, it's pretty much as expected. Let's pump the market back up. Free calls on Mullen. There you go. Micron crossed. Which way? Up? Yeah, I probably wouldn't play Micron today. I mean, you could if the SPY's going to rip, but let's see. Let's see. All righty, folks. Learning 1348. Just watch Gabe's videos. Very helpful. There you go, Kyle. That's why I'm still in Micron 2-hour chart. Gotcha. There you go. Let's see. All righty. SPY popping back up a little bit here. Amy, not really doing a whole lot. Just hanging out around 1530. I mean, I've got those 1550s that expire tomorrow. So Max Payne's at 16, I believe, for this week. So that'd be pretty nice if we finished above, like at 16. We haven't really gotten to 16 yet in a while. We've gotten close. We were 1561. We were testing it yesterday. I mean, that's the hot 1569 was the high of yesterday. So we did get a little bit higher yesterday than we did today. What doing SPY? Just running, dude. I mean, it's only up 0.44%. We've seen bigger days on the SPY in the past. Mullen was still coming up. Are they attacking it yet? Oh my, Mullen. Jesus. Took out 1350 strike puts on Hood for next week. I think it's above its fundamental value. Oh, of 0. Good idea, Mitch. I don't know. I mean, that could be good. I haven't looked at the chart on it. Mullen is just on a moon mission today. Again, be careful. Made 300 euros on Mullen going into AMC when you sell it. Kyle, there you go, buddy. What do you think about looking at longer term charts too in order to decide holding overnight? Right now, I would say no, because the market, in my opinion, hasn't really picked its direction yet. So I would say hold off on that for now. Just kind of relax with it. I mean, I don't. Sometimes I do. Like I held the UVXY puts overnight and I made like 60, 70%. So, but that was also off of Powell. Like I'm looking at more, and when I'm holding stuff overnight, I'm looking at more news, like what's coming out in the news, like oil, uranium, stuff like that. Spy's coming up again here. Amy's trying to get a little bit of a move. Jimmy's popping up a little bit here, 1.75% in the green. Yeah, dude, Mullen is going on a moon mission. Just have some shares of Mullen, but up 77%. There you go. Yeah, Micron did cross. I'm not touching any of that though. Afternoon trading has not been fun for me. I mean, it is running. It's just got a little bit of noise over here. Watch the day high at 79.37. Let's see. Spy's trying here, man. Thanks for that. Luigi, anytime, buddy. New day highs Micron. Yeah, watch for new day highs on Micron. It would need to come up over this level over here. Think there will be a reversal in terms of everything starting to come down? Oh, it's possible. It's very possible. But with the SPY and the momentum that it's had, and off of the Mullen, you can't really look at the short interest right now. Because it's all jacked up on Ortex because of those new shares coming out. Shape makers seem to be lagging today. Yeah, Ben, how those Nvidias go? Nvidia. Yeah. I mean, you were crushing it over here and then dead, then back to not dead, then chop, chop, chop. Let's see. Spy looking for a new day high over here. Amy, time to go. Wait. Oh yeah, where's UVXY? Oh man, I think I cucked it. I think I cucked it. Yup, cucked it. That's okay. That was still a good trade. Hit that like, y'all. Ian, I appreciate that, buddy. Mullen just had 32,000 options going the money. At what strike? Oh, 250. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a decent amount here. Yeah, they're down, but still free. May hold them overnight. That's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea, Ben. I think the market could easily trend up into tomorrow as well. I mean, I don't know what GME's earnings is going to do. So, like, if GME really does well and it starts to rip in the after hours, AMC could come up. If GME really tanks, I mean, I don't know. They're probably going to mess with it on its earnings just because, like, I think at this point, everybody kind of knows the deal with GME earnings. Like, don't get too hyped up about it because they typically don't do anything crazy. If they do, though, I mean, it could go crazy, it could go wild, but we'll see. What about the $1 strike? Yeah, those have been in the money. The $1 is 22,000 contracts. What's the 3 or the 4? 11,000. Yeah, there's not too much action on the Mullen chain. Those diluted shares on Mullen got ate up. Yeah. All right, Amy. We need to break that. What is this right here? 1543. Yeah, I mean, we're above that 13 EMA in the 5-minute. We're about to get a 5-minute MACD cross here. SPY just made a new day high. Nice. Oxy seems to be bouncing off the 48. Yeah, I was in and out of Oxy. Made $500. Sold it. Ouch. Ouch. Sold at a 71% gain and got 10 freebies. Dude, what were you trading? Like the deepest out of the money things you could find, Ben? Your Mullen shares are up 150%. Ryan, there you go, dude. There you freaking go. You bought 1,000 shares of Mullen 2 days ago? There you go, people. Do I have the... No, I don't. All right, SPY's looking to make a new day high right here. Yeah, here it comes. It's close. It's teetering. It's teetering. It's flickering. It's flickering. The 250, 250s. How'd you... that makes more sense. Weeklies. Your free Mullen's up 85%. Damn. Damn. All right. News alerts. Nothing. You're up 90% on Tesla calls? Damn, son. There you go, man. Also, guys, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as well. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here going into the end of the day. Let's see what we're gonna get. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. My average of AMC is 1537, so we'll struggle here. Hey, you're up a penny. You're up a penny. Nuts on NNDM. They have more cash than their market cap. I mean, it could be good. I mean, they need to get their Dragonfly out to everybody. It's more of a long-term play. They got a patent on this battery that is way better than Tesla and the other EVs, and it doesn't explode under heat. Oh, that's interesting. The SPY flicker. Round 2. Fight. Thou shalt not play outside the 1348. I've learned my lesson. Yeah. I must have played the wrong options on Mullen. You only made 20% at the high. What you have? See, Trey's mustache. This is the problem with buying options on like Mullen or like these lower price stocks. The options won't, unless it really goes. The options won't. They'll be good, but they won't go like crazy. SPY new day highs. Come on, Amy, go. Yo, hit the like button, says Mike Lewis. Appreciate that, buddy. Hedgies want bad Jimmy. Apes want good Jimmy. Reality, nothing happens. Maybe. Let's see. 1538 on 8. Wow. SPY honestly might do it. SPY honestly might touch the upper end of this box over here. That would be insane. You have to sing to Amy? I don't know. Not a hedge fund. You're up 2 cents right now. There you go, pal. Resistance on the SPY would be... Oh, there goes Amy. Like 4. Here she goes. Here she goes. All right, folks. Let's get a little spicy over here on Amy. Let's see if we can get my 1550s in the money, huh? You're up 278% on call contracts. Caesar, that a boy. All right, getting a little poppy. Nvidia trying to come up here too. SPY's moving up. Amy didn't like that. Yeah, that was a nice little boom there. Let's see, Mullen, or where's Mullen? Mullen just flagging here, looking to make a new day high. I would close options. I close options with limits. That's what I do. Always limits. I think I accidentally did a market order this week just because I hit the wrong button. Oh, David, I appreciate that, buddy. Alrighty, folks. Mullen is just on a moon mission. SPY's coming up here looking to make a new day high again. It's like 5-6 cents off. You get a sec? Check what I DM'd you on Twitter. I think it's going to print. Let me look. Yeah, that could print this week. I have that right now for this week. You fat fingered it? What'd you do, Dario? Oh, I didn't fat. No, I just hit the wrong button. It's kind of a fat finger. Dude, SPY's just making new day highs over here, and Amy's coming down. What the fuck is this bullshit? Love shorting the VIX? Hey, I did it. Made a nice little 60% on UVXY. Probably could have made more, but, you know. Now, GME earnings is after hours today. You took April 1st. That's a smart play. Yeah, Tesla's probably running up with this. Tesla. What do we got? Ooh, 3% on Tesla. Cross that open. Rip. I mean, if it just went on a straight line, you would have had some fun, but this would have sucked right there. This channel freaking banks. Yeah, dude, we print around here. SV, first time playing the SPY, up 120%. Morgan, there you go. All right, let's see. SPY is just 3 cents off the previous day's high. Why SPY? It's not, SPY's moving up, but it's not flying. Like, it's up 0.7%. It's opened red, I believe. Yeah, also, happy St. Patrick's Day, people. Micron broke resistance. MU. Yeah, watch it here. Is that the day high? Yep, day high on Micron over here. So Micron now is looking like a decent 1348 if the SPY continues here. You're going to try to sell 50% of my Mullen shares at the peak of the squeeze and then try to buy back in when it comes down to a new base? Ryan, how the hell are you going to... Are you practicing for Amy? Dude, making my monthly salary this week. So tough to focus on work. Johnny, there you go, buddy. Getting those 1348 gains. I love to see it. You got the micron cost. Thanks, 1348. There you go. I mean, it looks good right here. Mullen, new day high. Did it really? Was it 65? Yeah, 265 is the day high. Yeah, I think the market makers have hedged it on Mullen. I mean, it's up a shitload today. Good luck timing the top of any stock. Yeah, Ryan, if we knew how to do that, we would just be able to do it with our options all the time. Bottom top tick. SPY, new day highs. Amy, come on. 1550. Go on a run here, pal. The volume on Amy today is abysmal. 15.34 million. Come on. Let's see. We got any news? The Italian Prime Minister says Putin does want peace. Wow. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Fed approves discount rate action by New York Dallas director. Yeah, whatever. We knew that. We would be billionaires if we caught the top and bottom each day. Yes, and it would take you like a couple of days because you would just find the stock bottom top ticket with options, and then you'd be good to go. That kind of volume is whack. Your haircut, whack. Walmart looking spicy? Maybe. Sold 2 of my 250 calls at 150% green. Right in the last 3. Jay Powell's tools. There you go. Doesn't want peace. Is that evidenced by actively engaging in war? Weird. Exactly. Thank you, Captain Obvious. SPY. So I think SPY is going to touch the top of the box right here. What are we at? Yeah, SPY is going to touch the top of this box here. Watch 440. Mullen, new day highs. Jesus. Scammer. What's good? Spice the VIX. Not much, man. You can use the 1348 on the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour to try to gauge the top. Okay. Is Jimmy waiting for any big news for this earnings report? We just expect another 5-minute call. It might be another 5-minute call, man. Yeah, Mullen new day. Well, I've got 267.50. That's what I got on Mullen. You have 80 covered calls at 250 on Mullen. Uh-oh, Caleb. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O, Caleb. I know you've been selling those covered calls. Risky. Yeah, well, it's coming back down now. Let's see. SPY's moving down a little here. GME's coming down to that 13. Amy's just bouncing off that 25. It's just go, bro. I'm ready. I want it to go. Volume being dry is good. That's true. Last time we were this dry was May 5th last year, and then it was boom season. Just saying. That's fair. Exactly. And we have the cost of borrow going up, shares on loan going up. Days to cover is going to go up too with this lower volume over here. So, I mean, that's not the worst thing in the world. Those 7 436 calls I have on SPY are so juicy right now. There you go, Big Dave. Looking forward to exercising calls. There you go. All right. About to make a new high here on the SPY, it looks like. Amy's not really moving. Walmart crossing. Wally World. Walmart already crossed, but it's above the 200 EMA now. That's not bad. Yeah, Wally World looks all right here. I mean, I don't know. SPY could just top out right here and just reject and come up and sell off for the rest of the day. It's very possible. What's the cost to borrow we'd like to see? 10% plus on AMC. GME's is probably going to get there soon. Oxy's killing you? Why didn't you get out when if oil runs tomorrow? Yeah. Check the SPY 4-hour chart. Yeah, it's above the 200 EMA, I think. Right? Yeah, so SPY just got a... Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay, so SPY, it did this before. It did this right here and then teetered back down. So it needs to break through this box here. So we have a closing 4-hour candle above the 200 EMA. We have a 1348 cross here. This looks solid, but we got to wait and see. SPY coming up on the daily and weekly 50 SMA. Ooh, interesting. Oh, you fat fingered the Oxy? Ooh. I mean, they were probably up a little bit. I mean, I took those at like 50 something percent, I think. You exercise every day. Only wish we were talking about options. Yeah, me too. Lucid moving, looking for 25. Running? Is she running? Oh, man. Lucid's running over here. Hello again from Ozark, Missouri. What's up, Marcus? How you doing, my man? Let's see. SPY still looking for new day highs over here. Looking for buyers to come back in. RSI on the SPY is right at 70. We're going to take the RSI off, though, a little bit. It just kind of crowds the... Oh, that looks so much better. 1530 wall on AMC. We're at 1533. You're talking about like a buy wall. Calls up 34%. Don't know why I have such good luck with I don't. So good for you. Good for you, man. Sold your SPY call, held your Nvidia call. Well, those are probably coming back to life over here. Like if SPY continues to run like this, it'll probably Lucid's looking solid. Mullen blew up today. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. There you go, Antics. Let's see. Where is Mullen? Just mulling around. Yeah, it's looking good. Bouncing off that 13 EMA over here. Let's see. Okay. Prime Minister of Ukraine asked Nestle to withdraw from Russia, but Nestle just said they refuse. That's kind of assholey. Mass Gang coming in. Hit that like. There you go, guys. You know what to do. Let me shoot TMI that link really quick. Invite, yes. Let me make sure I send that to TMI. Mullen Ortex is not even worth looking at right now because it's all jacked up because of that prospectus. It's like 2% shorted. It's showing on Ortex. Nestle is the Swiss government. Well, that sounds silly because isn't Switzerland like supposed to be neutral? So I feel like Nestle would just want to be neutral. Apparently not. Nestle and Subway both refusing to leave Russia. Yes, so is what's the office sharing? WeWork. WeWork's not doing it. Gabe made some nice plays today. Did he? Here we go. Hello, Jack. The OREV. What's up, buddy? What's up, SCV? What's up, Noel? How you doing? All righty, people. So, SPY, still looking for a new day high over here. Amy 1531, just kind of chilling. The Russian people need chocolate. Quit attacking the people. Pisses me off that so many people want to take away from the Russian people. They're not Putin. That's true. That's true. Let's see. As Gabe in as well. We could do that. If Gabe's around, we could definitely do that. Let's see here. Mass Gang. What's up? Uptown Mommy. How you doing? You'd buy an STV hoodie? You can do it if you want to. You don't have to, though. Would you ever consider doing a crypto stream? Probably not. Probably not, especially not during the week. Let's see. SPY flickering. You gonna strangle FedEx? Ooh, yeah, maybe. All right, let's see where the premium goes. So it's only up 0.85. Ooh, I kind of like it. It's getting better. The premium's coming down. It's getting better. Yeah, this is actually not looking too bad. So I might do a FedEx strangle. I'll go small, though. I'll go very small. Maybe I'm going to try to do $50 both ways, $100 both ways, something like that. Let's see here, guys. Yeah, as you guys are filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out all SPYs popping. Mullen making more need more AMC papas. All right. Charge point hitting the high of the day. Charge point. What do we got here? Yeah, charge point looking good. Oxy's crossing down on the 5-minute. Is it now? Above the 200 EMA though, so this is. I mean, you could play it down to 50. Oh yeah, that's a big. Yeah, that's a big difference over here. You could play it down to the 200 if you wanted to. New highs on the SPY. There she goes. I might go next week on FedEx, honestly. If I'm going to do FedEx, I'll probably go next week. Let me see what the premium's looking like on it. It's going to be sucky, but I think it's worth it. If I do next week, I'll go like $100 both ways. Okay. Oh, yeah. 100% going for the next week's. 100%. So I'll go for the next week's on the FedEx, see what happens. SPY is just ripping right now. Let's see. 1531 on Amy. SPY running up here, 0.81%. Jimmy up 1.9. FedEx looking all right. SPY broke out of a massive daily bull flag. Hope it closes outside of it. Yeah. Catch up chip makers. Yeah. Riot's probably doing good with this too. Was Riot at 18 yet? 1780. It's getting there. It's getting there. All right. Let's see. SPY's still running up over here. I feel like I'm dehydrated after lunch, which is not good. I only had a sandwich. AMD running. Chip makers starting to go. Yeah, they do have some work to do to catch. Yeah, AMD's just lagging today. I still think SPY's going to touch the upper end of this box here. And then after this box, actually, yeah. There's 2 more boxes to go. Then we got to consider drawing new ones because it could be jumpy on the SPY. You know, it's a good gauge for Mullen, the 5 and the 30-minute, jumping back and forth. Interesting. Someone is def holding down AMC with the SPY ripping like this. Yeah. I mean, well, think of how many shares that they have to short it right now. A shitload. Micron rip. Yeah, there it goes. Not bad. Zero Hedge had some article about a gamma unclenched from Friday's OPEX. What does that mean? It's just he's just talking about he's just talking about quad witching and how that affects some stuff, because they're gonna have to circulate stuff in and out. They have to, because here's the thing: if you're gonna have a lot of options expiring, some of these institutions are gonna be winning pretty big on these options, and then they're gonna roll them out to another expiration date. And if it's gonna be the next quarter and they buy a shitload of options, the market makers are gonna hedge it. So you could see a lot of buying and selling starting to come in. 300% on Tesla. Attaboy. 1532 on Amy over here. Germany will send more troops to NATO's eastern flank. Yeah, Micron looking good right now. My boss said to follow the gold, go for the money. 1348 all the way. Johnny, attaboy, man. You're crushing it over here. 439.40 on the SPY. Is FedEx the... No. It's FDX is FedEx. The put end of my UVXY strangle from yesterday is killing it. Black diamonds. There you go, buddy. That was a good one, wasn't it? Volume is silly on AMC right now. It's not really doing anything. You got it in ORI call at the cross, but can't get out of it. The bid is at even. It's a daily. Unfortunately, theta is getting to me. How can I exit? Okay. If it's a bid ask thing, you're kind of screwed. You got to mess with it. I think that's what you're saying. There's like no bid on it or something. Try not to buy options on really illiquid stocks. This might be a learning lesson. You might have to hold it. Are you staying on for Gmail earnings? No, not today. TMI will do it though. Oh, Micron popping. How much still cash do I have? Interesting. Let's see. Micron looking spicy. SPY looking spicy. In May, there are $500 options for GME. Any take an opinion on that? Who makes the options? Market maker, Citadel. For FTX, you're going March 25th, 255 call, 200 put. That might be what I'm doing too. Yeah, that was what looked good for me. You dropped $50 on Mullen against my better judgment, and that is by far my best performer right now, 53%. Stop loss entered to ensure I get that McChicken. There you go, man. SPY flickering here. Micron coming down. Let's see. You got 40% on Micron cross, learning this 1348 when following the rules. It's pretty surefire. Exactly, man. That's why we've been telling people about it. Like, we're not over here just telling you to just do random bullshit. Like, the strategy works very, very well, which is why we keep talking about the Discord, like trying to get you guys in there to learn the strategy and get all these alerts so you guys can make money. That's literally the goal here. And you can, I mean, it speaks for itself at this point. Like, you guys are doing really good. You're waiting to buy FedEx until after 3 p.m. though, for sure. Me too. 1348 on AMC. It hasn't it was crossed up here and then just has not crossed down the entire day. Micron coming up to a new day high. SPY flickering up here a little bit. I know I'm just a smooth brain. I want premium. Dude, we'd love to have you in the premium. I mean, a lot of people, once they join it, they're like, oh yeah, I just made like the whole entire year's worth of premium today. It's like, yeah, that's how it works sometimes. You're up 50% on your Affirm calls. There you go. 1348, making money, keeping your mind off AMC. There you go. That's perfect. We want you guys to be able to just be like, all right, well, you're making money and you can just kind of hold your position if that's what you want to do. Ryan Cohen tweeted. No, he didn't. The day of earnings? No, he didn't. Joining in April, maintain. There you go, buddy. We can't wait to have you in there. Let's see. Made enough to fill my gas tank in the last 20 minutes. Bob, there you go, my man. All right, Amy's starting to pop a little bit here with the SPY. I mean, I wanted above 1550 to let it run a little. First of the month, you're in premium. There we go, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. I mean, technically, you're good to go now if you wanted to. There's really, I mean, you can wait till the first if you want to, but I mean, you might, yeah, you can wait if you want to. It's whatever suits you best. So SPY is looking like a new day high over here. Amy's starting to pop up a little bit. Micron's coming up. I used the last of my settled cash on a Micron call that I'll hold into tomorrow. It was literally like $37. 640% on Mullen calls. There you go, man. All right, let's see. Micron's looking good. Amy's trying to get above 1540. SPY did make a new day high over here. Made enough to pay my mortgage on SPY calls. I bought at the cross up. Big Dave. There you go, buddy. Ryan Cohen clapped back on what? Does he hold on? Tweets and replies. Who did he tweet? Oh, 29 minutes ago. Show us how little you understand about the market, history, and public equities in 10 words or less. And then Ryan Cohen replies, thanks, Barry. When I grew up, maybe you can help me start a podcast and charge investors fees just like you. Oh, Ryan Cohen with the clap back. Woo! EVgo breakout. Yeah, charge point could be a spicy one too. Yeah, Micron looks good over here. CHPT. Yeah, if charge point breaks above 18, that could be spicy. Amy's still 1539. It's struggling to break 1540. SPY's just continually making these new day highs too. Let's see. Any earnings plays today? I'm thinking FedEx. I'm thinking the next week's on FedEx. Can you, RD, and TMI open a few AMCs in New York City next year? I don't think so. Yeah, I'm holding a little baby Micron overnight. It's like $37. YOLO. I usually do this with the last of my settled cash. I did it with UVXY yesterday. That was a really good. Actually, no, I kind of just bought that one on the expectation that it was going to rise or go down. Sorry, I had puts. SPY was going to go up. That's what I thought. Micron at daily 200 SMA 79.90. Yeah, if it breaks 80, it could get spicy again back up. If target breaks 220, it's going to run. Target. Yeah, target looks all right. What happened? This is Weeble. Square's been blowing up since yesterday. Yeah, Square, Affirm, PayPal are probably all doing well. Am I playing prog earnings? Hell no. Hell no. Let's see here. DocuSign breakout. Yeah. Oh, here we go. SPY new highs, trying to get to the upper end of this box here. If it breaks this, I don't know, man. This could be spicy here on the SPY. Like this could be spicy, man. Nvidia's ripping. Ben, there you go, buddy. What are these Micron? What's the Micron call out right now? 12%. Nice. I'm up a McChicken. Down 18% on the AMC calls. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out me in the channel a whole lot. It also costs you nothing to do it. So, we could be doing better. Let's get this stream out to some more people. Let's see if we can get some boom boom candles going into close. We got SPY ripping right here. Let's see. Micron about to get spicy. I would have to agree with that. Yeah, here it goes. Yeah, Micron. Yeah, there Micron goes 80.03. I mean, I'm holding them overnight anyway, aren't I? Why don't I just buy another one? I'll buy two of them. They're the 82s. So we'll see. But will Micron stay spicy? That is the question. That is a good question. You think AMC can get up to 1650 today? I would say no, but nothing's out of the question. Oh, SPY just touched it. Touched it. It touched it. It's like Finding Nemo. They touched the butt. It's like the boat. GME, great turnaround. Yeah, I mean, from the depths today at 83.45 all the way back to 88.88. That's not bad. You got the 80s holding overnight too. Yeah, I got a little tiny 82. The YOLO's at the 82. My Micron $80 calls, LFG, market maker. Atta boy. Yeah, that cross was sweet. Do you get restricted to day trading on Webull like Robinhood? It depends on if you're a cash account, if you're in a cash account or not. Caesar, Mullins or Tex is irrelevant right now. It's saying it's 2% shorted. Why is Hood pumping? Kathy is slapping the ask. Probably. Nvidia is breaking long-term downtrend on the 4-hour in one day. Yeah, I saw that too. You're long on Goodyear, but want to know what I think? Got a 1348 across on the 4-hour. I mean, I would say it needs to break this 200 EMA, but the 200 EMA is at 16. So you could end up playing it up to that level, but I mean, it's just, look at this. I'm guessing this is earnings right here. I'm guessing this giant doom candle is earnings. And they just sold off ever since. So it could be a good dip buy at that point, but it just depends on how long you're willing to hold that thing for. Where's Micron? We're getting chip makers coming back to life. Nope. Our Microns are way up finally. May hold them though. Only have 5. There you go, Ben. Your SPY put is crushed. What made you buy SPY puts? What on the chart today made you buy a SPY put? Where does Kathy's having an affair with Vlad? I don't think so. Amy 1534, Jimmy hanging around that 25 MA and the 13 EMA still. Same thing with AMC over here too. Woo was down 500 at open. Now even. There you go. This month has been great for EVs. Trading them, sort of. TMI said Hood raised 40 million. That's why it's going up. Julie, I didn't know that. That's pretty interesting. All right, Micron back flickering around 80. SPY's not really moving here. Hood announced their new share lending. No, they didn't. You're up 70% on SPY calls. Dude, you guys are printing. Guys, if you're not in it yet and you do want to figure out what we're doing over here, just check out the link to the Discord in the top of the live chat over here. The results speak for themselves. We're not selling you bullshit. Like, it's literally a strategy. We give you the alerts on it. It's not our buy and sell alerts. It's literally just telling you when these crosses happen on 350 stocks on a wide variety of time frames, cryptos, private live streams. Make sure you guys check that out if you are interested. We should see all of you guys in there at least learning the strategy. And then if you want to join the premium and get the alerts, awesome. You can do that. But do yourself a favor and just learn the strategy. Watch the videos. Let's see. Someone just told me you're the OG Micron paper hander. I am. Not anymore, though. Micron's the position the stock that I made the most money on over the last month. 160% on a Tesla call. Damn, son. Baba Cross. Yeah, Baba's an interesting one right now with all the stuff going on with China. The OG Micron paper hander. Hey, that was me. If SPY breaks this box with some momentum, which I think it can, we could get really spicy over here. Make us a 1348 video. It's coming this weekend. You'll probably get it on Saturday. Don't drink and trade. I'm not drinking and trading. What makes you think I'm drinking and trading? Micron coming back down. Where's that 1 minute 13? Yeah, hanging out at the 1 minute 13 EMA over here. It does this test, rip, test, rip. It looks like it's gonna break it, and then things are gonna get spicy. I agree, Ben. I agree. It literally, to get to 440, like a 440 breakout on the SPY, that could be dirty. I am making a video now of my 1348 success. Yeah, guys, if you guys are printed with 1348, just throw it on Twitter and tag me, Gabe, and TMI. If we see it, we will shout you guys out. Don't smoke crack and trade. That is probably the number one rule of the stream. Those of you guys who don't know, we do have some weird rules in here, like don't tell me to go to class and stuff like that. But number one rule is don't do crack and trade. Here it is. 65% on SPY calls. Thanks, Vix. Randy, anytime, buddy. Crack kills. He didn't inhale. All right, that's fair. It's trying here. Oh, Micron back down. Why are they still talking about crack? She'll never understand. Baba calls printing. Margin calls in 2 minutes. Micron coming down here for literally no reason. What about trading crack? We can't trade crack, but we most definitely can trade Oxy. STV's crack flavored hedgy tiers. That's the best name in the live chat. I thought it was only do crack while trading. No. Micron rejecting off the 200 SMA. Yeah, that's what it did. Well, if SPY breaks this, I don't think it's going to matter a whole lot. Micron came down because you all guys all bought calls. Relax. 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 I dare you to mention Mullen. We were talking about it earlier. I'd rather have my money in crack than the dollar. Honestly, not going to lie. That's probably honestly a decent inflation hedge. Drugs. If we're being honest, like, come on, this isn't me saying to do it, but if we're being completely honest, do you think supply chain issues and inflation is not going to affect drug prices? Come on now. Hood would make money by paying the investor to lend their shares. They are. That's what they're doing. CRAK is a symbol for an oil refinery. Oh, so we have oxy and crack for oil. Crack. No, we can't trade this, but there is a wait, what about this? Cracker Barrel. That's also gonna be a liquid. These AMC YouTubers only read supers when someone sends supers. Well, yes, I do read supers when they are sent in. That is how that works. Mullen, how's this doing? That's on the 1 minute, right? Yeah. Spy settling a little bit here. Settling down. SCB confirmed. Crack is better than USD. Bro, it probably is. How do you know when it's a liquid? 6.3 thousand in volume on the stock. The options have 0 volume and 0 open interest. I didn't even have to look at the chain to be able to tell you that. You can't sell. Look at this. Look at this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Nothing on the bid. Like, you're going to get screwed if you trade those. Do not trade those. There's literally nobody willing to buy that from you. If you somehow get filled, you're literally not going to be able to sell it. There's no market for it. It's like that. It's like that really, really expensive house in LA that's like $500 million. You literally can't. This is like how they took forever to sell that thing. Johnny, thanks for the super buddy. Can you say Cougar Guru 5 times fast? No. Stop. Bad, Johnny. All right, people. Crack kills. Who knew a ticker named Crack wasn't going to do well? The Oxy does, though. SCB Meat Kevin just put out a 3-minute fuck you to everyone. I was right. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. I love that. Let's see. Guys, also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. Helps me out a whole lot. Thank you guys so much. The house that sold for like 107 recently is called The One. Yeah, but it was supposed to sell at like 300 million. Crack doesn't pay. Neither does crime. I don't know. Wanted felons. It might have. Let's see. Amy coming down to that the 48 here. Please put out what happens on triple witching day. Well, it's quad witching and nothing happens. You're going to be fine. It's not like the market disappears unless we have a flash crash, and then the market might disappear for like a couple minutes, which is unlikely. Have you looked at the price of Burke A? Yeah, what is it, like 400 grand? You paper handed your Rivian calls on the 3-minute for a loss when the price broke under the 13. First of all, why are you trading on the 3-minute? 2, if you want to not have your contracts get stopped out, closer to the money. They won't fall as fast. They won't rise as fast, but they won't fall as fast. You got quad U. I've got the puts. I sold the calls. It's like 550 grand. Yeah, I don't think a lot of us are going to be in here buying Burke A. So I'm not. I know that. I'm not buying Burke A. Wouldn't it be like the biggest flex ever if I just went live one day and I was like, hey guys, look at this. And I just showed you guys a share of Burke A. Micron could be bouncing off the 1-minute 48 EMA. That's, man, that's not great. It's probably going to come down to this, the 13 on the 5-minute. I don't know. SPY still has a chance to crack above this range here. Where's the RSI on it? It probably just heated up. Like it probably really just got hot. Hotter than I am right here now in this room because it's hot in here. Yeah, SPY a little RSI cool off here. Same thing with Micron. So we'll see what happens here. These things could just be cooling off before another run. If selling during the squeeze and you don't make have a large account, you're only able to make 3 sales for that week. Why would you only be able to make 3 sales for that week? You're not day trading it. I don't think. How much do you need to be able to sell more? No, Robert. I don't know what this is. One share, you peasant. It's Berk A, bro. It's 500 grand. Yeah, Robert. Unless you're day trading it, I don't know what the issue. There's no issue there then. Any recommendations to trade options when you live in a country where options have like $10 fees? You either have to trade with more money or you got to kind of swing trade it a little bit. Not really. You just have to be you have to be more careful with your entries and exits because your stop is technically already at like minus $10. Like you're already down technically when you enter the positions. You have to make up that $10, then you start to make money. Is GME earnings today? Yup. Let's do a quick Ortex update over here too. Let's see. We got 8.29% average cost to borrow over here. That's high. 21.22% estimated short interest on Jimmy. Jesus. Oh my God. 345,000 borrow shares, net borrow of 222,000. Amy, are we still above 2% average cost to borrow? That'd be nice if we are. Be great if we are. 2.05%. Net borrow of 12,500 shares today. They're returning some shares. All right, SPY flickering. Micron trying to come back up here. Let's see. Powell gave us only a little taste of 25 to see how we handle it. So when he hits us with a 50, the next two increases instead of 325s. I don't think if the Russian conflict is still here, he's not going to do a 50. Senators asked Wells Fargo CEO on mortgage refinancing practices. Ooh. Fox News reporter Pergram House is now debating the bill to suspend normal trade relations with Russia and Belarus. Micron popping off that 13 EMA over here. Here comes the SPY. Here we go, folks. You were just about to get a couple of Berk A, but it's not crossing, so I bought AMC instead. Sure. Sure. GME call will last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. It might. It's very possible that happens. Or they have manufactured the absolute craziest thing ever, and they make everybody and the market expect nothing on their earnings, quick earnings calls for the last couple of quarters, so that when, in fact, they are ready to release their NFT platform and start talking about all of that stuff, then they do a long earnings call. The market's not expecting it. The stock run starts to squeeze. Everybody's happy. See? I don't know. Could it be? It's probably not today, though. SPY pop. Don't do that to me. Don't do what to you? Yo, Vix, are you scared of the squeeze? Jorge, why are you coming in here? What is that supposed to be? My God. Pop back into the green. SPY looking like it wants to do it. Mara, new day high. There you go. Buy your ORI call. No, thank you. Why are GME options so expensive? IV and the market makers like to steal from people. Like, look at this. This is stupid here. They're still pricing it in like it's a $200 stock. We were talking about that on DocuSign too. Let's see here. Is he going to test the 200 on the 1 hour soon? Where might that be? Oh, 1552. It did it a couple times today. If we get a closing 1 hour candle above there, I'd like to see that. Economist from Columbia University said if the war does end, that would open the door to do a more aggressive hike. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. He's not gonna do the 50 basis point hike until the Russian conflict is over. Breaking: Nancy Pelosi is quitting to pursue her own YouTube stock trading channel. Dude, that would put me out of business. Actually, no, it wouldn't. Because if she was quitting, that she's not actually that good at trading stocks because she just gets information and we would 1348 Nancy into the dirt. 3 for 3 today, just chilling, not trying to FOMO into anything. David, there you go, buddy. Yeah, I used a little bit of settle cash on these Micron calls for tomorrow. Let's see what happens with it. Everything is popping but AMC. Not really. I mean, SPY's just coming up a little bit, but nothing too wild here. Bing bong. What's up, Ben? Let's see. We should email her. She should send out an email list like, all right, this is what I'm buying. Nancy with an Unusual Whales account would be unstoppable. Nancy is the unusual whale. Nancy is the unusual whale. Bro, please don't sing talk. It's fucking annoying. Ray, listen, bro. This is my channel, and I tend to do whatever the fuck I want, just like in life. Read above, answered Buddy's commissions and oh yeah. Okay, so Ryan, where are you? That person that asked about the commissions question is actually down 20 because it's 10 into the trade and 10 out. I use a $200 minimum and you're already starting at minus 10% down, so 15 to 20% stop loss. There you go. No cursing. Fuck. All right, let's see. Sending you some money from my gains this week? David, I appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. David, don't send it to anybody on like Telegram or something because that's not me. That's a scammer. Don't send it to any scammers, buddy. You need to say it as much as Gabe so that AMC can wake up. Ah, shoot, you're right. Start the chant. All right, HYMC is trying. Yeah, it is. Up 4% today. Not bad. Not too bad over here. When Gabe swears he moves AMC. The scammers are everywhere. Yeah, David, don't send money to scammers. Fuck. All right, guys, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. If you guys want more eyes on AMC, you got to hit engage with content, even on Twitter, even on Reddit, anywhere you're looking at AMC. Just make sure you're basically showing the algorithm that people are interested in this. Let's see here. Seriously, though, thanks, Vix. I'm a UPS man, and my rodeo's loud. Stop cussing. No. SV, you mean your Cash App isn't Chan1? That's what I mean, yeah. Hey, SV, the closer in the money the strike, you won't lose more money quicker for every dollar move compared to buying slightly out of the money? Yes. Yes. Tesla ripping? The HYMC's coming up. Tesla bouncing off that 13. SPY's coming down to its 13 right here. That's probably knocking down Micron. Radio, not rodeo. Oh, I can't read. Sorry. I'm bad at reading. Fuck. Sorry, I had to do it. Sorry, I had to do it. Sorry. I had to. It was right there. It was right there. All right. So AB 1524 over here. SPY bouncing off of the 13. Let's see what we get over here. Your Putins need to print? I don't know. HYMC is coming up. Just send it to his WhatsApp. I don't have a website. Quit cursing on your channel, damn it. No. I do what I want. How come TMI says buy closer in the money to avoid getting hurt bad? That we're saying the same thing. Buy closer to the money to avoid the wild losses really quickly. HYMC smells like a possible rug pull. It could. I mean, you just got to be careful with it. I mean, the momentum's looking solid on it. It looks solid right here. It's ripping right now, up 7%. Yeah, we do. Please keep cursing. Thanks, Jake. Appreciate it. I'm glad that you support me in my language choices. 400,000 out of the money calls. Enough said on Amy. Yeah, we need to get those freaking in the money. Just came through to drop a like, says John. Appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. SUV got that Audi SUV because we cruising for single soccer moms. I don't have an Audi SUV. When Catalina wine mixer? I don't know. Don't forget it's about to get diluted. It may not though. If there's short exempts and naked shorts in it, it literally serves as actually not dilution and it puts the stock higher. It's it's that's how you got to think about it. HYMC is making new day highs over here. The whole classroom is watching you again. Well, you should like tell me before. You should be like, "Hey, there's children watching you," and then tell me that there's no children watching me so then I can let it fly again. Did I get that 30-year-old? No. Hold on. Let's see. No, there's definitely been classrooms of kids watching us before. Not me, I don't think, but TMI, yes. It's a spin class at the gym? Oh, that's fine. They have before though? Exactly. But they tell me before. They're usually good at telling me before. Let's see. Children shouldn't be watching a college student who doesn't attend class. SCV is not a role model. Technically, I am a it's fair. I'm not a role model. Don't I'm not a role model. Gideon, dude, thank you so much for the super, man. I appreciate that. Keep up the good work, watching your channel every day while trading. Dude, there we go. Hopefully you're printing over here. Get some 1348 gains and just printing. Here we go. Oxypop. Oh man, my freaking stomach muscles hurt. Ouch. Little bounce on Oxy. Dude, it is hot in this freaking apartment now. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because I ate. That happens sometimes. The crack smoking is way worse than. Yeah, see, we were talking about smoking crack, dude. Like, come on. Hey, nothing wrong with 40-year-olds. I never said there was. I never said there was. All right, let's see what we're gonna get over here. Where's Spy? All right, where's Micron? Micron, chilling over here. You gotta stop drinking those Red Bulls, bro. I don't drink Red Bulls. I drink something much worse. Me too. Thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that, bro. You're a 1348 role model. I appreciate that. WTF, I missed the crack talk. How? We talking about crack for the last like 4 days. Maybe wear a t-shirt instead of a hoodie. Nah, I like hoodies. Put me next to the sun. I still have my jacket on. 1,500 watchings, 500 likes. What is going on, people? Hit that like button. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with the content. Help get some more people in here. Let's see. It's food poisoning for Chris. Can you check the short interest on TMC? Sure. The Metals Company. That's such a generic name. 3.63%. Are you taking a position in HYMC? No, because technically we all have one. If AMC owns some of it, we all already have indirect exposure to HYMC. His hoodies are like security blankets? Yes. It's hot in SV's apartment because he's making crack. You got me. Should we be using the 3-minute or the 5-minute for exit confirmation? It depends on what you're using for your exit. Did AMC cost to borrow go up today? Yes, it's at 2.07%. All that drug talk and no complaints, but a couple of bad words now an issue. Yeah, see, come on. What are you doing here? You guys thought it was funny when I was talking about how I watch people smoke crack. Now I say fuck a few times and everybody loses their mind. All right, Micron trying to move over here. AMC calls and puts getting racked on a flat day. I mean, it will. I mean, depending on what happens tomorrow. Spy's RSI is cool in here, which is not honestly the worst thing in the world to happen before we're going to get into power hour and we could see a little bit of a run. How we doing, SCV? JT, I'm doing pretty good, man. Hopefully you're crushing it today again. DraftKings is ripping. Yeah, I think I got sparked a little on DraftKings this morning. Yeah, so I got hit on this move. This one or this one right here? I forget which move it was on DraftKings. I think I had it early, but this thing was a runner. Let's see. Do we have a way to check live oil prices? Yes, we do. WTI crude is up 8.26% at 102.89. Brent is up 8.88% at 106.72. That is where oil is sitting right now. Oxy booming. Yeah. So I just flipped the Oxys today. I think I sold them on this just big rip. And I was just like, all right, time to get out. And then it wrote it down a little bit, started to come back up. And then I was like, okay, well, time to get out. I could have held that last free contract, which honestly, I need to get better about holding the free contracts. But again, nothing to like, still solid. Let's see. What do we have here? Bro, you already know I'm 13 grand, but don't matter because it's not mine until I take it out. I'm going to try and finish strong this year to 100K. JT, out a freaking boy, dude. Amy 1528 trying to pop here a little bit. What's this? Oxy got a 5-minute MACD cross. No 1348 cross, but I mean, Mike Kuntz says hi. Awesome, Romeo. You can't catch me slipping on those anymore. See, I know the deal with you people. Micron. Ooh, Micron getting a little jumpy over here. I feel like the market is waiting for the next lame ass news story. Nah, honestly, I like what the market's doing today. I like it. You're seeing some winners and some losers. You're seeing some rotation start to happen. You're seeing money start to slowly flow back into the market. I like to see that because over time, that is going to give us a little bit of free runway to run on AMC. If we continue to see these upward days on the SPY, 0.79%, and it just keeps doing that stuff like that, that's solid for us. What do you think you can turn a $500 account into at 1348 in a year? It depends, bro. It depends. If I was in a margin account, actually, I don't know. Because if it was a challenge, if we did a challenge, I would treat it differently, I think. Or I would either be really, really safe or I would YOLO it. Mudrick, I literally could not give less of a poop about Mudrick. I don't care. I literally don't. They sold at 30 something, and then I don't care about them. Neo new high. Yeah, Neo new high. And then what was the other one? SQ. Where's Affirm? You guys still holding those? Oh, dude, you're welcome for Affirm. That was nasty. Anybody hold those? Because that is dirty. Just saw Ryan Cohen's clap back to Barry on Twitter. Yeah, that's a good one. Mudrick 40% in HYMC. Cool. Good for them. Citadel owns AMC and GME. Okay. Like, Baba calls up 100%. There you go. Thanks, I do. There you go, baby face. There you go. Sold the $35 calls earlier. Yeah. Missed out on the Roblox $45 call. Yeah, I don't trade very much Roblox. It's a little bit like Lucid. You're up 85% on Affirm. Damn, son. Okay, fight me. Why? Hey, Stevie. In what week you choose when? I do the weeklies. And sometimes, most of the time, it's the dailies on the SPY or the next day. Let's see here. All right, we got a little while until Power Hour, people. Is BB still going to run? Smash these calls today? It might. I mean, it could. Where's BlackBerry right now? 3.5. Not bad. Check my Twitter DM for a surprise. Oh, boy. What is this? Oh, boy. I'm not sure if I want a surprise. That's funny. That was funny. You printed hard on CloudNet calls, tried to tell you to hop in on the breakout. Yeah, I can't see everything. That's why this is literally why the Discord is the way it is, because I can't see everything. Like, you guys can sit here with me and trade the stocks that I like to trade sometimes, but you're gonna get more of them if you're getting all the alerts. Because I can't. I mean, I could sit here and like look at all the alert. I just can't all day long. Like, I'll see some of them, but if you're sitting there looking at the alerts, pulling it up on your chart, I mean, you can see everything. Like, you guys sometimes are my alert system. SCV has seen too many surprise DMs. You'd be surprised. Micron holding well. Is it still green? Yeah, Micron's doing all right over here. How do you trade strangles on a cash account? I assume you manually buy calls and puts. Yeah. I just buy calls and puts. Let's see. Where's the next test on the SPY you'd be watching? 440. Let's see. Oh, you want me to get hype? Woof the dog play? You want me to get excited? You want me to turn up the... Oh, man. Turn up the energy over here? Better call Paul. Watch 440. This has been a great Patty's Day. Hey, you guys are doing good over here. Putin's invasion is not going to plan, says Blinken. Wow. LME increases nickel trading limit to 12% for Friday. These motherfuckers. Yeah, Micron selling a little here. SPY coming down to that 25 MA. Amy 1521. How's Para looking? I think shitty. I mean, I had Para calls. That was the other one I got stopped out on. I mean, yeah, I got stopped here. I was out in here on this 13 break. Let's see. Rivian call's not bad. Rivian earlier today, I was looking at it. I never took it though. Yeah, Rivian I was looking at in the morning when it was just running and then sold off really hard. So 1340 across the dot. See, this is what you got to try and avoid sometimes. Like, yeah, this was breaking new day lows. When you start to see it really flatline like this and start to come back up, test this. I mean, you could have made money from like, and that's kind of even right here. How do I know what is the correct FDX? Look, FDX. NYSE. You pick the New York Stock Exchange one. Was a YouTuber that's not like you. He trades for the devil? Okay, well, I don't know who that is, but it sounds terrifying. How much is the Discord? What is it like? I think it's like, so it's $69 a month, which is like $3 a day or something. We are coming out with a lower tier for you guys that can only swing trade though. So it's going to be mainly built around people who need to trade shares. It's just going to be alerts on certain time frames. And you're not going to get access to the private live streams. So the private live streams we do like 8 times a month. My man. Love your 1348 strategies, by the way. Was just here before waiting for Amy to move and got bored all the time. And now I day trade options and enjoy doing it. Made 77% for 2 weeks. Geez, love it. Woo! There you go, buddy. At $230 a day, if you're talking about like actual days of the month, I think it's like $3 for every trading day. Damn, dude. Jay Skills. Killing it over there, man. Is SPY going to stop dropping or what? Well, it's cooling off on the RSI. Look, so it does this. It's coming right here, 57, right before it started to run. So it's here's my bold SPY prediction. Are you ready for a bold SPY prediction? Okay. So we're going to see the RSI start to flatline right here. It's going to hang around this 25 MA. This is my bold prediction, meaning that literally don't take this seriously unless it works. And then I'm a genius. So the RSI might flatline right here. Then we're going to see the SPY hang around this 25 MA for a little bit. Then it's going to bounce, break out of this box, and then off to the races. That's my guess. That's my bold SPY prediction. But we also saw the 5-minute MACD cross down, which is why I'm telling you that bold SPY prediction could be utter nonsense. Can you pull up Mullen real quick? Quick? Yeah, Mullen. Yeah, doing all right. Up 77% on 1348 this month. Randy, atta boy. Yeah, it's 69 a month. But it comes out to like, what is it, 3 something a day? So if you make more than $3 in a day, it's worth it to you. And it's a write-off. So let's see. Spy Little Green over here. 4% gain on a firm today. Only 2 small wins this week. Only 1 large win. No losses, thank God. Out of day trades for the week. The AR guy. You're crushing it, dude. We are all paid actors because 1348 pays. Yeah. Hedge funds are liquidating position in oil stocks as per Bloomberg. Why are they doing that? It doesn't look like they are. Yep, caught the Micron move for a quick 50%. Mike G, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Good for you. Good for you, my man. You don't think it's a write-off? You claim it as a business? We'd have to set it up a certain way, but you can write stuff off like that. The Micron move was nice. Yeah, I'm holding mine till tomorrow. Little funsy play. You're an options shill. I sell every single one of them. Top Euro biogas producer Nature Energy said to weigh $2 billion sale. Oh, it was Blinken statements that are moving the market. Oh, okay. So maybe my bold SPY prediction is going to be coming out to what I said, utterly useless. All right, folks. All righty, folks. Burke A, all-time highs. That's crazy. Too much red for me today. How are people making gains like 70 to 100% when I can't even get 10%? Small accounts suck. I'm trying real hard to keep getting rug pulled on plays. So frustrating. Alex, let me think. What were the contracts that I bought today? And how much were they? Let me look. Orders. The Oxy I bought was 70, or I bought it at 119. Oh, wait, no, that was a sell order. Hold on. Okay, I bought it at 85. The Affirm, I bought at 85. That was about it. Micron I bought for a little cheaper, but dude, I've got this like itch in my ear and like the back of my throat. It's annoying. The S&P futures break and hold below 437. 4374. It's put city. It might be, but look, my buy prediction is coming to fruition right now. My crystal ball strikes again. I don't know. Let's see what happens. If we get that 5-minute MACD cross up, it's breaking out of this box. Crack does that to you? Yeah. Amy 1525. Micron trying to move up here. $13.48 does work, just not for me. I guess I get it on the cross ups, but they don't keep going up. Some of them, like that's the thing. Like when I trade, it's like I'm perfectly fine with taking that little loss, and I know the stocks I like to trade. Like like Micron, yup. DraftKings, yup. Affirm, yup. PayPal sometimes. And yeah, the bigger companies are going to be a little bit more predictable, Richard. You're right. Put your finger in your ear and it will clear. I'm literally just stretching my ear right now and it feels a lot better. If I sell, I get up to like 30% gains. Alex, you know how good that is? If you're risking 10% of your account and you make 30% gains, you made 3% on your account. If you do the math on however much you have and you can do that every single day, you're going to have days that are more or less. But if you average like 1%, you will be filthy rich. You just have to give it time. That's the thing. That's what I'm trying. Whoa. Jimmy, Big Red over here for no reason. Look at this shit. Yeah, take that gain, man. 30% is good. Put your ear in cider. No. No, I'm selling if I get to 30%, but I never see one over 10 on what I get into. Alex, I can talk to you about like what you're trading and stuff. We can go over it. We can do that. Yeah, no, you're not. Yeah, you're not getting there. We can talk about it. I've been talking to Trey's mustache a little bit too. Just shoot me a message and we'll go over it. it's seasonal allergies. It might be. It's starting to get warm out here, but I just don't like it. The other thing I'm worried about is I'm very susceptible to strep throat, and my former lady friend had it. She shouldn't have been contagious at that time, which I think I'm fine, but it's like weighing on my head. I'm like, oh shoot, am I gonna get strep? That would suck. Which is fine. I've done it many times. I kind of know the. Oh, Amy pop. So like every time I feel it, I'm like, shit. Oh, better call Paul. I should have just thought of that. For the love of God, I'm craving ankles. There you go. All right, 15:30 on AMC. Was your lady friend 30? No. Better than chlamydia. Yeah. Tesla breakup? What happened with Tesla? Yeah. Need these Lockheed puts to print? Dude, I should have strangled the Lockheed for this week. Pour whiskey in my ear? That sounds silly. Guys, also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with Al Gore's rhythm. So let's see here. Dude, it is hot in this apartment. Gargle saltwater baking soda to kill fungus. Yeah, probably should. Amy, come on, let's go. The stress about worrying about getting sick can lower. I don't really care. You guys saw. You guys saw. We don't use the A word here. What was the A word? I don't know what that was. You guys saw me that one week where I was like deathly ill. That was. Oof. You guys are like, why are you sweating? I'm like, I'm dying. Apartment not hot. Fever. No, it's warm out today. It is hot in here. This happened yesterday too at this time. Oh, really, Kale? Oh, yeah. How does a FedEx strangle work? You hope that one side goes up a shitload. And if it doesn't, bye-bye money. So that's pretty much how it works. Should take some vitamins. Yeah, I should. I see having withdrawals. Oh, yeah, from all of the crack. 360% on Tesla. There you go, Dash. It could be a tumor. Oh, thanks, WebMD. Appreciate it. We even saw you with half a finger cut off. Yeah, you guys have seen me go through it over here like multiple times. I've just been going through it. Let's see. No, Sue. It's complicated. It's like a very complicated situation. Why you lose finger? Everyone go by ear. Lockheed is crazy to the put side because of 3. Yeah, dude, Lockheed's crazy. Fix your posture. Your back is going to kill later on. Dude, this is literally, I've somehow converted my streaming chair into a rocking chair. I don't know what happened to it, but some piece fell out and now it rocks. So I'm literally in a rocking chair. I'm chilling. For someone that only goes to Chipotle, Vix is messed up. I haven't had Chipotle in a while. There's no Chipotle around here. 15:26 on Amy. Let's see. Spy coming. Let's see if my bold spy prediction is going to be correct. Okay, so the first step of the bold spy prediction was bounce off the 25 MA and have RSI come back up. That is the first step. The second step is a 5-minute MACD crossover. Once that happens, free reign, pop over this box. That's what we're looking at here. Do you believe Weekly's been doing an earnings play? Yes, sometimes, but I'm gonna go next week on FedEx just because it's expensive and I don't want to mess around with it. It's not a reclining streaming chair. It's not intended to be, but it is now. Bird's beeswax lip balm on your eyelids will give you a good butt. Dude, I know. You saw it on TikTok? It's called Beeson. We did it. We were dude, my sophomore year, we would do that at the bar. I'm not even kidding. We would take Burt's Bees and put it on your eyelids. And you're just like, whoa. Could be a sinus congestion. Probably is, dude. I don't know. I got issues, bro. Let's see here. They have reclining ones that look like that with cup holders. Mine doesn't have a cup holder. What the fuck? That's so annoying. I wish mine had a cup holder. All right. Bold SPY prediction is not doing so well right now. Do they include routine maintenance on your vehicle lease? They didn't, but I paid for it to be a lot less. Because they were like, it's going to be $1,000 a year. And I was like, that's no. They're like, but if you do this thing, it'll come down to like 1,600. And I was like, total. And I was like, okay, I'll just do that. Did you get a new car? I did get a new car. You could probably still see it on my Instagram. Yeah, if you guys do want to follow that Instagram, it's Short the Vix1 on Instagram. I'll do my best to follow all you guys back right now. Let's see. It's the same name as my Twitter. I don't think I have any fake people. So there shouldn't be any like fake people out there. But yeah, I'll try to follow some of you guys back right now if you want to do that. Let's see here. We got AMC 1524. Oh, there's one. There you go. Oh, dude, I'm not very good with cars sometimes. So, oh, wow, lots of people over here. Hello, hello. Follow. 427 million daily volume on Mullen. That's ridiculous. Subi. Let's see. I want Amy above 1550, dude. I want it to go on a moon mission today so I can like do something with these. Oh, hello, everybody. Follow. Oops. Lockheed crossing down. Dude, I'm not going to do it now, but I wish I had those Lockheed puts. All right, bold SPY prediction, back in play. Oh, Sue Ray. Hello. Oops. I just accidentally followed and unfollowed someone. That was an accident. I didn't mean it. Interior is dope. You can change the colors, right? Yeah, I can. Bad news just came out? On what? Sophia, what is it? You want to share the bad news? Yeah, can we not just say that there's bad news? And like let us know like what it is? Follow. It's not an electric car. Am I holding my mic on overnight? Yes, sir, I am. You missed the SPY prediction. My SPY prediction was RSI cool off, bounce off the 25 MA, 5-minute MACD cross, break out of the box. That's my bold SPY prediction. Remember, it doesn't mean anything. Nice Nissan. Thanks. You have a question? Johnny, you're definitely allowed to ask questions. Russia about the news nuclear. I think that's fake, dude. I think that's fake. They've been saying that. Let's see. Yeah. You earned it, dude. Enjoy. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. All right, Amy. 1525. SPY's trying to get above this 13 over here. Tesla's slowly moving up. Micron, what do we got? You have a question too? Squirrel, run it. Why are you holding the Micron overnight? I could tell you. The 30-minute. Cross back here coming up. Where's the 4-hour? It's probably looking all right on the 4-hour. It probably just crossed. Yeah. See, this is why right here. It's about to cross on the 4-hour. And what's it up here? 83.88. If it starts to get a little bit jumpy, I mean, it could be good. You've seen these MACD crosses. It's probably looking good on the 2-hour. The daily's probably looking all right as well. I mean, it's sold off. It's bouncing back up. We got some good news overall with the market. So I think we could be all right on the Micron. It's a really, really small play. It's not anything crazy. It's like $60. Amy loves Jimmy. Thank you so much for the super. Can you please read you post devs post in our AMC spot and explain it for smooth brains? It sounds bullish. AF for AMC and MOAS, pretty please. Can you send it to me? I usually don't go on Reddit. Mullen gearing up for another rip. Okay, bold SPY predictions coming to fruition over here. And I don't mean now, obviously. Yeah, I could take a look at it. Could you save some of your saddle cash for at least one afternoon? No. No, I don't want to. I like the morning's been so good to me recently. It's just so much better than the afternoon. Because here's the thing. There's a lot. This is why the mornings are good. Ready? There are a lot of open orders sitting overnight waiting to get filled at market open. When that happens, you see a lot of volatility and big stock moves. Now, if those initial moves are continued, which I would say it's like 50-50 that those moves continue from market open. If they don't continue, you can get out quick with 20% if you catch it early enough. If they do continue, you're looking at crazy gains. That's kind of why I like the morning, because things start their trend in the morning and slow down in the afternoon, usually, unless there's crazy news. Afternoon, distraction. Yeah. How do you change the background in Webull to dark? I have it white and it's destroying my eyes. I don't know. I honestly don't know. AMC is Mullins distraction. 600. Relax, pal. Amy's popping up a little bit here. 1531. Smash the like button, ladies. Mr. Johnny London. I appreciate that, buddy. Micron, what's going on here? Flickering. Stock up, good. Stock down, bad. That's a good point, but I always struggle to get filled. You just hit the ask? Sometimes. How's school so far? Why are you trying to make me stressed out? Oh, what's up, Frank? How you doing, buddy? Make quad you hit 10? I can't. Stock down, bad. All right, guys. Let's see. Let's have some fun. So we got 13 minutes until power hour. What do we got going on? 0 for 2 in my bracket already? Oh, you're screwed then. Technically, you only need to pick the winner, though, don't you? Unless you want like a perfect bracket, which like Warren Buffett would hate you. Does he still do that? He offers like $1 million every year if somebody hits like a perfect bracket because he just knows that nobody's ever going to, usually. All right, let's see. You send me a message on your share. I don't think anything's broke on it. I do. I heard something fall out of it. And it like cracked. Let's see. 1528 on AMC over here. SPY's coming down to that 13 again. I mean, power hour could be a power hour today. Thoughts on Microvision? I haven't taken a deep look into the companies yet. I could look at the stock price, but I mean, that's not, if I'm not trading it, I'm not, and I don't watch it all the time, I'm not going to be able to give you the best indication of what's going on. What's up, STV? Got a dry powder trading account 56% up overall on SPY calls and UVXY puts. Just here for the like button. Jake, atta boy, man. There you go. Micron's coming back to life a little bit over here. How about Oxy? What's up with Oxy? Oxy running a little bit here. It's about, what is that? 15 cents off the day high. Here comes the bold SPY prediction. The crack says you should play FedEx earnings one way. That's why it's crack. Power on the UK is now 1 hour earlier. The UK close happened a while ago, I thought. Look at AMC on the 2 hour cross up. Where's it on the 4? Because the 4 is what I really look at. The 4 hour, it's about to cross. If it has another solid green day tomorrow, we'll probably cross up on the 4 hour. The 4 hour is a better confirmation of the trend. Am I still holding my AMC weeklies? Yeah, it's a tiny position and it's a little YOLO-y. So I'm hoping I get a little bit of a move tomorrow. If I don't, I mean, we typically don't have green Fridays. So like, I don't know. Let's see. How are you going to date and marry a finance student if you don't go to class? I'm not. Was up 100% on Tesla calls. Sold when the price was 860. Bought puts now. It's at 874. Uh-oh, Jason. Why is AMC selling off hard? Is it? We might be looking at some different charts here, pal. All right, here comes the bold SPY prediction. Here she comes. The last time I checked AMC's cost bar was like 2.07. Let me take a look. AMC. The moon. All right, here we go. 1.91, it came down. Came down a little bit with more shares going out on loan. Oxy. Ron. Let's see here. You have a large YOLO call on AMC for April. Only 70 contracts. Lol, don't yell at me. I might yell at you. You should stop. Stop. Let's see. We're on our third green day in a row on AMC. Our shorts are trapped at $2. We're good. Yeah. SPY up good. UVXY down good. Yeah, exactly. We were doing, I mean, I could have held those UVXYs and like really cranked, but I wanted to take my 60% gain and run. You had video on autoplay. That was from a few weeks ago when we were at 20. I almost lost it until I looked at the date. I thought we were getting ankles today. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that hurts. All right, SPY just flickering here. The Batman wings past 500 million at the global box office. It's pretty good, man. It's pretty good. Amy, fear candle. Fear candle. Picked up 30 calls at 17 for AMC 325. Good luck. I hope you print, man. I hope you print. Smash the like. Never got the reminder. Boom, boom, bing, bong. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. 9 or no, Ben, it's 7 minutes until it's 8 minutes until power hour. Third test on that micron level. This one. It's trying. Let's see if it gets above 80. If SPY breaks out here, micron will go with it, I think. I think AMC is waiting for GME earnings. Maybe. UConn March Madness today. Where's my sweater? I'm supposed to have a sweater? What's the sweater? You're up 60% on your SoFi $9 calls. Should I take profit or wait it out? Dude, I can't tell you. I can't say what you should or should not do. You got a $17 strike call for the July on AMC. There you go, man. Good luck. If Apes keep loading the boat, AA will be able to say we own 110% of the float. I think we'll get really close to 100, I think is what the number will be. I think it'll be really, really, really close. He'll be able to say like 98, 99, something crazy. Because I don't know. He might be able to say over 100%. Because of shorting and all of that. But I don't know. We'd have to wait. Once we get there, we'll see. Once we get to the point where he's like, he sees those numbers, because it's probably like that right now. Just bought 100 more shares on behalf of your wife's boyfriend. There you go. Can I check Disca? Yes, I can. Yes, sir, I can. Doing a whole lot of nothing today on Disca. Oxy new day high. Ooh. All right, folks. Ooh, yeah. Oxy 58. Oh, shit. I had the 58s. Yeah. Oxy just made a new high. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream as well. Let's see. My wife's boyfriend buys me shares of AMC. Mr. Johnny London. There you go. Can you check Walmart? Yeah. Walmart, I don't think it was doing a whole lot today, was it? Yeah, Walmart basically flat, down 0.14%. Lockheed cross down. Oh, man. I wish I had that strangle, dude. How are we gonna get enough volume and sales to drive the price back up? Well, that's where the offering theory comes in, that there's just not enough liquidity to get the price to go up. And if there's short exempts, it counteracts, lowers the float. It's actually non-dilutive, and then the price can go up. So I don't think that's ever going to happen because people are so against it. But I mean, I would probably vote yes, but who knows? Just might as well try something. Can I check out Quad U? Yes, I can. Yeah, Quad U's up 15% today. Damn. TQQQ might be levered. Yeah, it's 3x levered. So TQQQ is 3x QQQ. Last covered call update for the week between AMC and Mullen collected 6,120 in premiums. Caleb, how much are you up though? Because you either have to let those expire worthless, or you're gonna have to buy it back, or you're gonna have to buy them back. Or text for CYRN. Yep. Jesus. 21.88% estimated short interest on the threshold list, 450% average cost to borrow, 100% utilization. That's nasty on CYRN. Home Depot. Home Depot just slowly just stair stepping its way up today. Oxy running. Yeah, Oxy was above 58. Yeah, Oxy's getting up here now. So the high is at 58.15. We're at 58.12 over here. Raytheon's probably coming down. Oh, wow. Raytheon's up. Interesting. So Amy just went into the red by 2 pennies. My bold SPY prediction is still in play. It's looking for a 5-minute MACD cross here. Where's Micron? Oh, here comes Micron. Here she goes. Letting almost all of them expire worthless. Caleb, there you go, man. Yeah, Micron is moving here. So I think a close above 80 would be solid. Is there a lot of options at 80? Not really. SPY trying to move here. 3 minutes till power hour. Here we go. Power hour. Days to cover is increasing on Amy. Yep, which is a good sign. It basically says, hey, it's going to be a lot harder for these shorts to get out of their position with the overall average volume. So Micron just crossed above 80, then got knocked right back down. Let's see. $15.20 on AMC. Oh, Amy sell candle here. You could totally drink a whole milk if you wanted. No. DraftKings broke 19. Jesus. Baba running. Docu third test. Yeah, well, Baba's still red. Docu. Yeah, Docu new day highs. Amy just selling off for no reason. Micron's probably pumping right here. Trying. Micron's trying. 4 cents off the day high. Micron's green for you now. There you go, Alex. If you have an AMC theater near you, go see a movie or two this quarter. AMC profitable equals short squeeze. I would have to agree with that. I hate when I worry too early. Sorry for that. You're good, Alex. I do it too. All right, Micron's getting flickery over here. My bold SPY prediction's looking all right. So we need that 5-minute MACD cross first, and then it can go. All right, folks. Are we in this mic call together for tomorrow? I'm going to hold it. It's tiny, though. If this expires worthless or goes down a lot, I don't care because I'm still up a lot. Let's see. GME earnings today? Yep. Yucca, what are you doing? You have 30% on it, but it's only 6 contracts? I think you can afford that. I don't know. I don't know what the trading account's at. I'm not playing GME earnings because then you'd have to buy puts on it. And then why are you doing that nonsense? You sent me a message on Twitter. All right, I'll take a look. Thanks. It's nice to know I'm not alone in that. I'm working on the don't get emotional part on red moments. Yeah. Alex, if you have the stop set up or you have a mental stop and you're watching it, there's no real reason to get worried. Let's see. All right, folks. Micron, it's trying, man. The Micron calls that I have are slightly red, but they're probably not going to be for long. Yeah, not for long. Let's see. Okay, so SPY, I'm still looking for this test to the upper end of the box over here. You need 70 cents on the SPY. Amy's coming down to test that 200 for no reason. GME just got a cross down around its 200. Here comes Micron back to the upside. Oh, 301. It is now power hour. SPY, it's time to run. Time to go, SPY. You're up 60% on a firm. There you go. Power hour. Here we go. Here we go, people. What was your SPY prediction? Well, it was test. It was back here. I did it. It was on this candle. It was test the 25 MA, bounce. Then for an RSI cool off to let it cool. Then we need a 5-minute MACD cross. And then we can start looking for a test at the upper end of this box. That's my bold SPY prediction. You have the $80 strike on Micron expires tomorrow. Yeah, I've got the 82. So you're in a better spot than I am. Here comes the SPY. Let's start a riot. Where is riot right now? Is it above 18? Oh, there goes riot. There goes 1803, high of the day. All right, SPY needs 50 cents. Do you guys see a lot of early plays by checking pre-market and future trends? I just kind of cycle through the list. I'm just like, all right, what's moving today? Oil, defense, EV, all the stocks that I like to trade all the time. I just kind of cycle it through and just see what's moving in the pre-market. Here we go. Micron's looking to make a new day high over here. I have live stream groupies. Do I? I don't think so. Neopop. You say buy puts and SPY, nobody bats an eye. That's not true. Everybody was yelling at me for the longest time for buying puts on the SPY. They were like, why are you buying puts on the SPY? Don't you want AMC to go up? And then it's the same people that are like, oh, I want a market crash so AMC can rip. It's like, what do you want from me? It's like, I'm going to play the market. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing so that you guys can learn. And then at the same time, like, then everybody's just going to get mad at me. It's like, you can't win. Let's see. No, you can set a stop after the order. Dollar General had a great day. DG. Oh, my alerts are freaking out right now. Yeah, Dollar General. That's nice right here. White House says Biden in call with China's Xi will have opportunity to assess where Xi stands on Russia and Ukraine. Interesting. I doubt they're going to be even remotely truthful. All right. My bold SPY prediction is coming up. Here we go, people. Oh, Micron new highs over here. I like to see that. Docu broke 86. Exxon new day highs. Oh, yeah. I lost on the Exxon puts today. I don't get mad at USV. Oh, I know, Luigi. You love the puts. You love the SPY puts. I only say that because on Interactive Brokers, I couldn't figure out how to set a stop loss after creating an order. I can do one right here. Wait, hold on. I can change it. Yeah, I can set a stop right now if I wanted to. And then a stop limit. I could do a market order. I could do a lot of things. My microns are down 5%. Let's see. Matthew, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Vix, please check Ortex on PIK. Gotcha, buddy. Guys, thank you so much for all those supers. You guys know you don't have to send those in. But special shout out to those of you guys who do. It really helps out a whole lot. So thank you guys. PIK, 352% average cost to borrow, 37% utilization, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense with to where the cost to borrow is. 8.36% estimated short interest on this thing. That is interesting with the cost to borrow where it is. SPY is looking like it needs 30 more cents. I think it's going to do it here. It's going to at least try. So Micron at the day high over here. Ooh, it's close to the day high. SPY is getting a little bit rejected here. Let's see if the buyers are going to be able to push this thing. We haven't really gotten that MACD cross yet. Ooh, is this a new candle or is this the new candle right here? Yeah, this is the new candle right here. So let's see. Dollar has earnings. Ooh, those could be interesting. All right, it's also 305. FedEx. Okay, we'll get the FedExes a little later. So SPY rejected at almost the box level over here. Oh, what's up, Eric? How you doing, buddy? FedEx doing good. Micron. Ooh, Micron rejected hard. Micron to 90 next week? That'd be sweet, man. That'd be pretty sweet. Let's see here. It's looking for that cross. Can you magically make the SPY go below 439? No, I'm sorry. Alex, you can set a stop after your order. Alex, aren't you on Webull, buddy? Alex, if you're on Webull, you definitely can do it. I just looked at it. When you click sell, and then you go over, and then it'll say like limit or market, and you just change it to stop. Then you just have to do a little bit of like a calculation, and then see what you want to put your stop at. Prague crossed up. I'm not trading Prague. Timber for Mullen. Are the day traders selling it off now? Little bit. It just fell below that 48 EMA on the 5-minute. On Webull, okay, Alex, if you're on your phone, click your option, hit sell, and then right here, so you hit sell to close, and then right under, it's the first drop down thing. It'll say limit or market. Then you click the down arrow, and you can just set it to stop. Dave, thanks for the super buddy. Why is Cinemark higher than AMC, and why are analysts rating it better too on Robinhood? To answer the analyst question, they're absolutely they're complete morons. And two, Cinemark is higher in terms of price, but not in market cap. AMC is still a more valuable company. Now that you said it that way, I just saw how to do it on Interactive Brokers. Yeah. Why don't you like Prague? I don't like trading it just because it's a tiny, tiny stock. I'm not going to trade Prague. And if you want to hold it long on anticipation of the news, awesome. Trading it, I wouldn't do that. For me, you can do it if you want to. I just never use anything other than a limit, so I never click the drop down. Yeah, it's right on the drop down. Can you tell Natsuka she's the cutest? Natsuka, you're the cutest. C&K is crank. All right, maybe. Amy coming down to that 200 here. SPY. We tried on the bold SPY prediction over here, and it's coming down to that 13 again. We're not quite getting that test that we wanted. The entire market is green, but AMC. It literally just went red. Like literally in the last minute or two, it just went red. Orlando, maybe I accidentally did it, buddy. Maybe. All right, we're going to get another 25 MA test. We might. Let's see. Amy pop back up. Beyond 1348 cross on the 4-hour. A lot of things are starting to cross on the 4-hour here. Watch those 200 EMAs. If it starts to run above there, it could be spicy. It could get really spicy. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Cost you nothing to do it. Helps out a whole lot. So thank you guys to those of you who are going to do it and who did. It really helps out a whole lot. AMC Ortex update, please. Sure. It's going to be the same thing that we did 10 minutes ago, but here you go. So we got 1.93% average cost to borrow, 750,000 borrowed shares, 21.17% estimated short interest. Holy crap, never had puts run so hard on a AMD. Did it really go for you? Not really. What time is GME? I know GME's earnings is after close. It's probably going to be 4:30 or 5. Probably 5. AMC cost bar going down. It's not going down. It's still right where it was yesterday. It just can't. They took out more shares at lower cost of borrows. Here comes the overall market profit taking, or it's just going to bounce here and get this 5-minute MACD crossing. It didn't. No. The bold SPY prediction might be done. Wait, is charge point going? Charge point running. What should we expect for quad wishing? Probably nothing. Most likely nothing. Let's see here. All righty, people. So, Amy coming down. Amy selling. Thanks for being my eyes and ears. James, anytime, man. Anytime. Let's see what we got over here. Got some news, I think. PIK popping up 160%. That was the one that you guys asked for the Ortex on a little while ago. All right, SPY is now selling down here. So this was not part of the SPY prediction. I mean, this was looking good. It just couldn't get above there. So the buyers weren't able to step up enough. Amy's coming down now, 1503. Fuck off, shorts and market makers. You suck. There goes the 1550 calls. Yeah, it'll be fine. Just hold. Tomorrow launch. Just a feeling. All right, Lee. I'll hold you to it. Fake AMZ going to go crazy after hours? Lisa, that'd be pretty sweet. Nah, Amy went from 1531 all the way down to 1503. That's no fun. You still have your 16 for April? There you go. Micron probably coming down hard. Actually, Micron just held really well. That's nice. I'm not the biggest fan of space. Not the biggest fan. You got $15 calls for next week, Tabasco Dave. That's not bad. Someone's been hanging out with Gabe too much with all this bad language you're spewing. He might be a bad influence on you. No, that's not how it works. I just became more comfortable with you people, so I just let stuff fly. Yeah, wow. GME's got a giant range today. Look at this. 83 to what? 88, 89.58. Jeez, man, that is such a giant range. Micron is at max pain. Interesting. Is 80 max pain on it? Stop playing puts on SPY. You were pushing AMCX down. That was a good one, Mindtain. That was a funny one. What do you mean, you people? You guys know exactly what I mean when I say you people. You dirty, stinky apes. That's what I mean. Oh, man. Tim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate it. Up $142. Minus 50. I don't know what that is. Calling it a day. Attaboy, Tim. STV is a loose candidate, only getting looser. Yes, that's what we decided yesterday. Executive Order 1359, AMC June. What the hell is this? What is that? Ben, I don't know. So you're going to have to enlighten me on this one. Let's see. All right, people. We got 46 minutes left to go. SPY's trying to bounce up here. Micron is holding really well. That's a good sign. Micron daily 200 SMA is at exactly 80 now. Yeah, we're above it right here. If SPY comes back up here nicely, Micron could get spicy. STD is the guru now. $50 loss today, so total gain was 92. Oh, gotcha. That's solid, Tim. That's really solid. There goes your SPY prediction. I told you, I literally said that it was stupid and don't do anything based off of it. That's just what I was predicting. I don't have a crystal ball. My microns are down 3%. Nice. I think those are going to be spicy. Yeah, Micron is doing well. Made your first $1,000 call on the SPY this morning. Thank you, 1348. There you go, man. Guys, again, make sure you check out that link in the top over there for the 1348 strategy and all of the alerts on when the 1348 crosses are happening on 350 plus stocks on multiple different time frames and cryptos, and access to the 8 private live streams that we do. Basically just going over and teaching the strategy and helping you guys refine it every single week. Well, no, the 8 live streams are every month, but we do them twice a week. Yeah, and then the link to that's in the top of the live chat if you guys are interested. Let's see here. No crystal ball, but 2 diamond balls. There you go. There you go. Let's see. Micron's doing good, man. 600. You're getting close. You're getting close to a timeout, bro. You're getting close. What will happen if GME releases after hours at over 70% are DRS? They probably, I don't think they, I don't know. Wasn't it like 5% last time? Or like, wasn't it, wait, what was it? It was like 8%, something like that was DRS. I remember it being like 5.8 million shares or something. I think that's what it was for GME and the DRS. It was something like that. I'd go get a 75-inch TV and put it up today. You did go get a 75-inch TV and put it up today, so it's been a productive day. Attaboy, Tim. Amy trying to bounce a little bit here. Micron 8006. SPY trying to get a little bit of a bounce off here. Let's see. We are in power hour. We could get a little bit spicy. How do I feel about DRS or AMC? What's your take? I'm kind of indifferent. I kind of neutral on it because, yeah, it might be a little bit more difficult to sell some of your shares at some point, but that also could be a good thing if it takes longer. It could limit the amount of supply that can come back into the market, which could be a good thing. But again, I've seen it be a little bit. I've seen things that like make it a little bit outdated. So I don't know. I'm kind of just indifferent on it. I'm just like net neutral. If you want to do it, awesome. If you don't want to do it, cool. Let's see. Not even 20 million in volume today. No, I know. It's what is it? Well, 19.57 million. So we are going to get over 20 million in volume. But this is still going to be increasing the days to cover because the shorts are going up. The shares getting sold short into the market are going up. We were at like 107, 108 million shares shorted yesterday on this estimate for Mortex. Now we're at 109. Lower volume, higher shorts, higher days to cover. There is no Mullen versus AMC. That's not in my opinion, that's not a thing. Mullen, I think, is its own separate beast. When FedEx earnings? Actually, let me confirm that it's after hours today. $17th? Yeah, it's today. Yeah, I just got to remember to buy them. Just another animal at the zoo. Yep, pretty much. Pretty much. Trash. They didn't cover June 2nd. They're still trapped down there too. Or it's just a cycle of shorts. Some of the earlier shorts covered, the new shorts came in, and then they've made a little bit of money. Some of them have lost money, and then they're just kind of filtering in. Will you stream GME earnings with us? I'm not going to, but TMI is. Micron, new day highs over here. Hey, Alex and Mustache. Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys. Up 2.6%. You guys don't know that reference. Bunch of elderly people. Okay, I'm sorry. That might have been too far. I apologize. Micron coming up. SPY moving up here a little bit as well. Yeah, Micron doing good. Let's see. Yeah, Micron pop. It's cool. I get it. I'm old. Nah, you're good. All right, here we go, SPY. It's time. I think it's time. Let's do this thing. Let's go. Micron looking good over here. I love that one. That was a good one. Wasn't that Goodies? Yeah, it was Goodies. See, I told you I know some stuff. Amy trying to get back. I mean, we're trying to fight back over that 200 EMA. Baby Ruth. Dude, those are actually good. Let's see. Call me boomer all you want. At least I've had a 30-year-old. All right, buddy. Do you want to compete with me? Do you want to? I'll get competitive over here. Oh, okay. I can't tell this. Okay, never mind. I forgot about something. It's funny. Some of you guys would be like, that's the best thing ever. And some of you guys would be like, wow, canceled. Okay. So, were you even born when that came out? I don't think so. Call in the chat elderly is fair. Remember, you got a lecture about the a what? Yeah, never mind. Some not so great Russian stuff. Yeah, I mean, we're going to continue to get that type of news. I think just the market has priced a lot of it in. Alex, that no. All right, what are these Micron calls up? Oh, wow, a whopping 4%. Let's see, SPY. It breaks this and it comes up to here. Oh, there you go. How much is SPY up today? $3.30. I have an amazing story for you, Vix. Trey's mustache. You would love this thing that we did. You would I think you would like it. Rands would love it. Sue Ray might. Who Squirrel would probably like it. A lot of people in here though would probably hate it, so we're not going to say it. All right, so Micron weekly 50 SMA at 80.67. Well, let's go there then. Let's go test it. Do the Lou thing? No, we're not getting Lou candles. I can't do the Lou thing if we're not getting Lou candles. Tabasco Dave? No. Need some luck of the Irish here. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get it. We're at 1503. We probably need to do some shots and tell stories. I'm down, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just started thinking, oh my God. I wish I could tell these. These are so, one of them's just vile. I can't. Like, you'll look at me differently. You will look at me very differently. Now, these, I'll tell you guys like about me pooping my pants and like watching people smoke crack. Think of what the story is that I won't say. Like, it's not. Save it for Twitch. Ooh. I don't know. It's going to get clipped. I don't know. Yeah, I'll tell them. I don't know. It's bad. Maybe Lou went March 3rd, 2023. Who cares? Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, for everybody filtering in here too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. If you had to pick 3 tickers to trade daily, what would I choose? SPY, Micron. Depends. A firm's really good right now. STV's Airlines. Say it. I can't. Something tells me the story is mad vanilla. No. I told you guys the story about when I was running outside with a weapon was like, This one blows every story that I've told you guys out of the water. Oh, there's 2 of them actually. When I meet all you guys and I know that you can handle it, you'll learn this story. This is a bad one. Tell us a joke? No, because all my jokes are really terrible, like really offensive. SB was in the woods with TMI, passed out on Tito's singles. No, yeah, can't say mine either. Mine is really good. All right, Trey's mustache. We'll do it sometime when I come down to Florida and we go car shopping. That's when we'll do it. SQ ran today. Yeah, just like a firm. Sounds like a bluff. Okay, did you guys like the crack story and me pooping my pants at Fenway Park? Did you like those? Because these 2 are just so much better. It's just I can't say it in front of 1,800 people. Like these types I cannot do. White House says too many oil and gas firms increasing stock buybacks instead of increasing output. Ooh, that's not really what you want. They're just like, yeah, pump the stock. That's not good. It probably will. So no, as Sue Ray. You got a good story time voice? Yeah. All right, folks. Amy's trying to pop up a little bit here. 1506. Spy's trying to make a little bit of move. Micron 8014. Go to Gabe's channel and tell the story then? That's probably what I'll do. 1348 Ooga Booga. There, oh, I like that name. Do a poll? No. No, it's like a no. I think I told TMI it. I think TMI and Gabe know it. I think I said it. I think I told them about it. Every story should end with a bing bong. Let's see. Micron looking good. We need some good old power half hour vibes. This one. These stories are like too much for even power half hour. They're too much. Too much for YouTube. Micron moving up here. 9 cents off the day high. Amy 1508. We need another 15 cents to go green. We've got 34 minutes left of the market today, people. Gabe will tell us when he gets excited. He won't know. I don't think he'll remember it, but it's a good one. MTTR Matterport's up 7.5%. There you go. SPY up, AMC down. The stock only behaves particularly when the market is red. Yeah. PIK is gone. Yeah, that thing was ripping. Started to think you did something really bad. No. I didn't do something bad. It was just done. It was sort of done to me, I guess. Do you have an audio only channel like Spotify? No, sorry. I don't think you can go live on Spotify. I think that's not a part of their service. I mean, technically my SPY prediction is still in play. We just need that MACD cross. Like it hasn't tanked. It just needs it needs a dollar to go. No. Let's see. All right, now you guys are saying wild stuff. I can't say it, so I'm sorry I brought it up because now I'm thinking about it. I'm just like, Micron has done me very well these past 2 weeks. Me too, man. Micron's been really good. Let's see if we can get another one going into tomorrow. Does the story involve a squirrel? No. Got a feeling RC got something brewing. Jimmy 110 tomorrow. That would be sweet. Do I still have the YOLO AMC calls? Yeah, they're not YOLOs. They're 1550s, but like, yeah, I still have them. I smell cap on the stories. Nah, these ones, I'll tell you right now, these are good ones. Is there anything you would get now for tomorrow? What time is it? I'm still deciding if I want to play FedEx or not. I honestly don't think I'm going to, just because I've already got the Micron for tomorrow. So I'll just leave that there and mess around. I don't really want to play any more earnings. Could it go crazy? Yeah. FedEx could be a good one. If you want to play it, go for it. I think we were saying 200s and 255s were the ones that I was looking at for next week. Those are like $100 both ways if you wanted them. I'm probably not doing it though. I just don't. There's no reason to. Lies. There's no story. No, there is. It kind of has to do with going to the bathroom. Kind of. It does have to. It does have to. Not, but not in the way you think. Oxy looks like it's about to go. 58. Yeah. If it comes down, test this 13 and oil rips tomorrow. I mean, sorry, the 13, it just goes. We could see Oxy above 60. Oh, there he is. What's up, Rands? You're playing FedEx, Big Dave? I mean, Big Dave, you've been doing solid. You can afford a little FedEx there, buddy. The Micron 1348 cross around 1310. Do you have to watch the SPY too to decide? I do. I watch the SPY as well to kind of see where it is before deciding to enter. The Micron, I just think the SPY could be solid tomorrow. That's not technically what it is, Jeremy. It's not what it is. Why does it take Weeble 6 days for Weeble to switch it? I have no idea. I'm honestly not sure about that one. All right, we got 31 minutes to go here, people. Here comes the SPY. Micron, time to run, pal. Let's see. Why isn't AMC moving according to most small cap stock? It's just they have so many shares that they can use against this thing right now, which honestly we're gonna need them. We're gonna need to see them short a little bit more and take out more shares on loan to really get us to those high cost to borrow territory levels, and then we really could be in an interesting spot. New high on Micron. Yep. What are these contracts up? 6.5%. I'm rich. Just kidding. Addressing the threat from securities investments that finance certain companies of the People's Republic of China. Check out the past dates in the future. What does that have to do with AMC, buddy? What do financing certain companies in China have to do with AMC? Justin, if you ask that question again, Justin, go watch my Is AMC Dead video. That one's for you. If you keep asking it, I'm going to time you out. And I honestly might ban you because it's a silly question at this point. Your FedEx Strangle is up 5% just from the IV pump. Yeah, honestly, you can do that with Strangles. Like hold them into close and then they're both up and then you just ditch it and flip it to somebody at the end. If they keep doing rate hikes, will cost to borrow keep going up? It might. Oh, sorry, Justin. You ask it every single time I see you in here, and it's always the same answer, buddy. Ride is the slowest melt up I've ever seen, like 1 cent every 5 minutes. Yeah, that's why that one Ride I've gotten sparked on a few times. It's just slowly moving here. I'm not sure if YouTube deleted TMI's videos. I'm not sure. Good starting amount for 1348. You could use like $500 if you wanted to. Riot still coming up. Where's SPY? Micron running? Nope. AMC purchased 25 stake in Wolf Cola? No. No way. Riot is annoyingly slow. Yeah. Yeah, SPY is kind of hitting a wall right now, Justin. It needs to get above the 440. 440 is really where you need it. Above. Like it could, I mean, it could run into close and we could see it above 440. We need like another dollar, which is possible on the SPY. Mullen, another push. Yeah, FedEx earnings. Is Mullen pushing back up? Mullen trying to get a little action over here. Your account just broke 3K again. Not bad for only 1,000 of money invested. Oh, brother, it's another ape. Atta boy. There you go, 1348. Hey, you guys. Let's see. She got slapped back into the flag. Mullen. Yeah, knocked down a little here. Mark, I don't know, man. BB, no. It does not have to have anything to do with the smoking crack story. Cup and handle forming on the 1 hour on DraftKings. I would say no. I would say, I mean, you could say that's a handle, but that's a janky handle. Would you hold Oxy overnight? I'm not really holding a lot of things overnight now, unless it's tiny plays, a strangle, or a free play. Smoking it, some will be eating it soon. How do you eat crack? 1503 on Amy. SPY just flickering here. Where's Micron? Chilling. Everything because the hedge funds have so much money invested in the Chinese market. If you're talking about like liquidations of margin calls, maybe if they're going to fail. SPY is running the 48 EMA on the daily chart, and right above that is the 200 EMA, also at ascending line of resistance. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Also, guys, yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see here. Doc, you ready for space trip? I wish we could just pay to make this chat private. We could. All right. That was, oh man. Oh, fuck. Is the story about you going to the bathroom and not washing your hands after smoking crack? No. Are you long on any stocks? I'm like wildly bullish on AMD. I have a boatload of that stuff. Oh my God. Oh, dude, my stomach muscles are dying right now. All right, people, let's see. Ooh, SPY little pop. Micron, come on. Just took 50% profit on Riot. Atta boy. How often do you need to smoke it? I don't smoke it. OBR, worst Discord for options ever, FYI. Oh, the TikTok one? Is it really that bad? Dude, here's the thing that I want to do. There are so many people on TikTok that have Discords that are really making a lot of money off their Discord that have no idea what the fuck they're doing. I want to hop on TikTok and just spark all those people and just be like, hey, this is stupid. This is silly. So I'm thinking about doing it. The problem is, this is the only issue with hopping on TikTok to try to do anything. What you have to do is flex like an asshole. I'm not going to do that. So, I don't know. Dude, all they do is buy SPX calls and puts. I mean, if you're good at it, like you're good to go. But there are so many Discords out there that are just like terrible. There are some really good ones. There are some really terrible ones, though. But a lot of people on TikTok's ones, I honestly don't think they're all that good. Just film in your car. I don't want to do that. Like, I'm not trying to flex like an idiot, even though that's what you have to do. So I have to figure out something. No, I'm not doing it. Remember when you didn't swear on stream? Yeah, I do remember that. But the only reason why I didn't is I thought YouTube was going to yell at me. That's the only reason why I didn't. And then I tested it out a little bit and they were just like, nah, run it. Let's see. Go to the park and film yourself. My parents thought I was selling drugs. You guys remember those? Those were the funniest ones. The homeboys just sit there in the sling, just like, my parents thought I was selling drugs. Let's see. Or joke about them. I could joke about them. Dude, that one was so funny. Some dude on TikTok made a video that blew up saying BlackRock is going to be the cause of the collapse and cold sells everything. What a joker. You should ghost ride the whip TikTok and flex. It's not a flexible car, though. Like, it's not. The inside looks cool. The outside's nothing special. Do you guys remember those ads that used to pop up with the dude that was just like, with the cash? My parents thought I was selling drugs. What would the cost of borrowing do to crypto? It depends. It depends. It depends on what the margin rates are at these different brokerages. Look at the order and the dates and see the correlation with the January 21, June 21 squeezes. Okay, we can take a look at that. Or make a 1348 dance. No. You guys don't remember those? Nobody's saying that they remember those. Nobody's saying that they remember those TikTok ads of that, or not the YouTube ads of that guy. Nobody remembers that. You guys watch stock stuff all day long and you don't remember that? It's just a total flex showing the logo. It's not that expensive. It's really not. Ads are for skipping. Nope, you boomer. Guys, come on. How have you not seen those? Not that you are, but if you were to play GME earnings, how would you do it? I wouldn't, ever. Ad block? How do you guys not? Dude, how am I the only one? That dude was probably spending tens of thousands of dollars a month on ads. You all got one. Like, I know that each and every one of you guys got one. That's crazy. No, it's like the unskippable one. All right, this is wild over here. All right, I see how it is. All right, let's see. I see he's renting his Benz. It's a lease, so technically, yes. Flexing is the stupidest thing ever. Exactly. That's why I'm not going to do it because I don't care. YouTube Premium. Oh, I got. All right, here comes the spy. Here we go. Test it, bro. Test it. Micron coming up. Woo! The new guy. Thank you so much for that super, buddy. SV, what a freaking great day. Made 4K on Mullen, made over 6K on Tesla, and just sold my Micron profit for $2,000 out of 100 shares of AMC. You needed this big win. Thanks again to UTMI and Gabe, the new guy. Thanks for paying the plug. Dude, I'm so excited that you're printing with it, buddy. Bo, dude, there you go. Now you know how it feels when someone doesn't get your reference. You all watch stock stuff on YouTube, and this dude was everywhere. I'm so good. This is wild. I cannot believe that you guys don't know that. The new guy, dude. Congratulations, though, buddy. $440 breaks. We're going to 442. I think if we break 440, it's off to the races on the SPY for a little while. If it can hold tomorrow, off to the races. 442 breaks. We're going to 450. All right, man. You can get a hernia for flexing. Dude, I think I had a hernia. And I just let it go. We're all messing with you. I knew it, Henry. Oh, here it goes. Here comes the test. Micron, not at the day high yet, but it's 3 cents off. Come on. Do you think GME is dragging AMC down due to earnings today? It could be. They could just be waiting on earnings, honestly. Because remember, they're all like the basket swap theory. All the meme stocks move together. Like they could just be waiting on the bell. Oh, this is the first time that we've seen SPY crack through this box right here, and it's coming up. Micron new day highs. Woo! Here we go, people. Guys, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. We're running into close right now. Let's see if Amy's going to get a little bit of a pop. Trey's mustache and Alex. Hey, you guys. We're printing on the Microns. I mean, I'm probably up like 10, 15% holding into tomorrow. But you never know. All right, 440.11. This is a big level. I mean, we could easily see it come to 440 and then just tank, but I don't think so. Just because of what we're seeing with the overall market and what's been going on. So... yeah, maybe, I don't know. Maybe I just pulled something. That could have been what it was. Here we go, people. SPY is looking good here. Amy, let's go. Above the 200. Let's freaking run, people. You don't had a hernia unless you had surgery for it? All right, so I'm clapped. Hey, you guys, I got baby Ruth. There you go, Alex. All right. We got 3 minutes left on this SPY 5-minute candle. If it closes outside the next supply and demand zone, I mean, it's not that far away, 440, 450, but that's a run and a half over here. If Micron can get a little spicy over here, that one could be absolutely nasty going into tomorrow. SPY's trading ranges 410 to 445 weekly SMA, 50 SMA is at 441.75. Interesting. This dude has good vibe energy. Shout out and fist bump to STV. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. All right, people. Let's have some fun going into close here, huh? You're 75% better call, Paul. Attaboy. All right. So my bold SPY prediction is correct. You're killing my SPY puts. I told you about the bold SPY prediction. You probably just had a hangnail. Nah, it was the ab machine where like both the parts move and I would do it and I'd feel like a pop in my lower stomach and it would pop and I'd be like, oh, so that I thought it was a hernia. It doesn't do it anymore, but GME earnings right after close. Might be. I'm not going to be on for it. TMI will do it though. All right. SPY is continuously making new day highs over here. Micron's coming back up. Here we go, folks. Come on, Amy, go. GME not really doing a whole lot right here, but if you've got options right now and literally anything with calls, especially the SPY, I mean, you're printing, dude. Did you pop your belly button? No, that's not what it was. It's definitely not what it was. Oh, I hate doing that, though. That hurts. It wasn't that. It was like lower. Yeah, that is a hernia. That legit sounds like a hernia. I told you. See? It doesn't do it anymore, though. See? I told you. It sounded like a hernia. There's a tear between muscles, get it fixed or checked out. Nah, I just kind of let it heal by itself because I was like doing this stuff with you guys all the time, and I like wasn't able to go to the gym for a while. So Amy's trying to pop up here. It is hot as hell in this apartment right now. This is an issue. Okay, AV Steel, that's there. Oh, okay. So the SPY got this closing candle outside of the supply and demand zone right here. This is interessante right now. Micron's holding nice. How much are these Microns up right now? Wow. See, this is kind of weird. I was not expecting that notification. 1429 on Micron over. Oh, wait. That was the percentage. Now it's up 20%. Micron probably just got a freaking candle over here. Short the hernia. Your chat is loaded with hypochondriacs. Yeah, bro. Better be safe than sorry, you know? I'm pretty sure it was a hernia, though. Take your hoodie off. I don't have anything under the hoodie. I'm a bare hoodie guy. All right, guys. Let's see here. A hernia doesn't go away. Mine sounds like it did. The new guy. Dude, thank you so much for these generous supers, man. I really appreciate that. SV, what do you think on Uber looking good for an overnight hold? What's it up right now? Where's it on like the 30-minute and the 1 hour? 1 hour? 1 hour cross back here. 4 hour. Is this the same thing as my? Yeah, 4 hour did just cross. I'd say you have all the way up to, if it's going to run up and top out, 34.47, this 200 EMA. That's probably where it would top out. SPY is making new day highs over here. That bold SPY prediction came in on point, people. And I told you, if I'm wrong, I told you it was going to be like, oh, didn't know what I was doing. But if I'm right, kidding. Tim, dude, thank you for the supers, guys. I really appreciate that. STV or SPY on meth. I thought you said STV on meth. And I was like, all the drug jokes today. All right, Amy trying to get above its 200 EMA over here. Micron, it's time to go, bro. I need $1.50 on Micron tomorrow. Or it just needs to run a lot right now into close. We got 13 minutes left to go here. So the defect doesn't go away. It's covered by scar tissue and muscle fibers. The hole is always there. Yeah, but like, how bad is that? Like, am I going to die? I think I'm good. I've made it this far. The 30-year-old pulled his muscles? No. You're changing your name to SCV's hernia? That's fine. Do what you got to do, pal. Let's see. SPY coming up here. Whoa! Diamond Dave. Dude, thank you so much for that big super, buddy. So much money today, dude. Guys, I'm so glad you guys are printing. Good for you guys on taking the initiative and learning 1348 and then learning some of the other tips and tricks that we've got going on over here. Diamond Dave, there you go, buddy. Thank you so much for that generous super, buddy. I really, really appreciate that. I don't want to be greedy, but I think the SPY can go. I want SPY to go up another $5. Today, probably not, but this is good right here. If it closes outside of this box here, I mean, think about what happened yesterday. Closed outside of this box, came up into this one. In the after hours, it flickered around. It did its thing over here. We could just see a repeat of today, tomorrow, but I don't know. That's the thing. Like, I'm holding these Microns for fun. We'll see. You want the AC on? If I do, well, the old I made it this far comment. Yeah, exactly. I did. I'm not dead. Yeah, I'm chilling. If it's a hernia, watch the area. If your intestines doesn't pop out, where I don't think it did. I think I'm chilling. It's happened to me a few times, and it's all right. Like, nothing's crazy going on. Trapped in the muscle, and it strangles and tries to die. Oh, so I am gonna die. Hernias make your ankles swell up. Interesting. All righty, people. You know what I'm probably gonna get? Kidney stones. 1348 video this weekend. Yup. How long you holding Micron overnight? I mean, I'm holding it until tomorrow. SPY. Here we go. Amy coming up a little bit here. Let's see if Amy can go green. How many cents do we need? 11. I think we can go green. Let's get our ESG score up. I think that's what it's called. And then go green. You're fine. Thank you, Stephanie. I appreciate that. All righty, folks. Worst pain? That's what I've heard. Let's go, Micron. Is it going? Not yet. It's trying here. STV, we worry about you? You should. You should be very worried. Got a oxy a collar put. I don't, you can strangle it if you want. Oil's been pretty volatile. Ask M Creeks. I should ask M Creeks. She'd be like, yo, M Creeks, am I gonna die? Now Mullen broke out of the flag. Mullen. Oh, there it goes. Amy, let's go, pal. Spy's just kind of holding here. Dude, I need a haircut so bad. I'll get that this weekend. One time at band camp? Nah. SCV shorted himself on the ab machine? That has never happened. And if it did, I would tell you. Like 100% I would have told you. Let's see. Micron coming back down a little bit. Wow. Seeing a lot of you members in here today. Thank you so much to all the members. You guys are awesome. Shout out to all of you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Get a buzz cut. Henry. I took off today, then realized I still had micron calls. Any thoughts, SCV? Hold through the night. That's what I think. That's what I'm doing. I'd be very, very careful with that. If you're up a lot, what I would personally do if I was up a lot on micron calls is I would make them free, but you can do whatever you want. Like if you got them around here in this 1348 cross, you probably would have printed. Johnny, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Beer money. Get a nice 40. Appreciate it, bud. Hernias don't heal. I've had one for 6 years, so I probably have one. Dye your hair green. Yucca. Stop. No. All right, SPY, pulling up off the box here. So the buyers have had control for the last 2 days of the SPY. Amy now above that 200 EMA over here. Come on. Is FedEx after hours or pre-market? After hours. I think, unless they did it in the pre-market. I think it's after close, though. Amy trying to move here. Jimmy trying to move a little. What is this? Let's see. Ho! What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Chillin'. How you doing?
Dude, SPY's ripping.
SPY's ripping. Tesla's ripping. The fucking market is a shit show. Shit show's in a good way, not a bad way.
I got a little tiny micron YOLO for tomorrow to feel something. It's up nicely now.
Can't sell it, though. MU was ripping this morning. Did it go back? I haven't taken a look.
Yeah, it's up like 1% today. Oh, nice. The UVXY puts were nice too. Yeah, those are sweet. What'd you play today?
I had yesterday at close on your stream. I got the Tesla calls. Ooh, the Tesla YOLOs. The Tesla YOLOs were for 870 for today.
That's not bad.
Those things freaking printed. I got out of them a bit early. I did. I paper handed the fuck out of them, to be honest. They are probably up another 40% from when I sold them, to be honest. So
yeah,
that's a little bit of cash on the table
today. Those are the good ones.
Nice. T-Mike keeps his mask on, disablement for us. That's not a lie. Yeah. Also, to make sure that I don't blind you, to make sure your sight's not completely gone afterwards. Yeah, there was a horrible accident with a lot of actually, no, let me not make a joke because I don't know who's in the chat.
Oh no, you're good.
You never know. I don't really know. Sometimes I make jokes about like not having a face. I'm like, someone out here can, possibly not have a face either. I'm just like,
that's true. Big Dave, thanks for the super, buddy. SC, I just want to say, I think your 1348 method is stupid. Stupid good. Thanks for sharing. Anytime.
Oh, I was just like, damn. Dude, oh man. Yeah.
Everybody's having a good day today.
Good. Because I don't know. I absolutely love the strategy. I absolutely love the fact that people can make money on red days, green days, up days, down days. It doesn't matter. As long as the market has a direction, whew. Money to be made. Ben Levine, what's going on, buddy? Hope I was well with you and the fam.
Ben's been crushing it. Oh, Ben, how are those NVIDIAs, dude? Ben had like 10 free NVIDIA contracts.
Oh, I love it. I got some NVIDIA too. Gabe jumped on the stream in the afternoon, and NVIDIA was just like doing nothing. And as soon as it jumped up a little bit, I was like, all right, cool. We hopped off the stream. Now it's like, I'm just buying calls.
Gabe always brings the energy. It's always fun.
Oh my goodness. Good stuff. Everyone wears a mask, SDV, Ben Shapiro mask.
Ethan says, TMI leaves the mask on because he hates shaving. He's one of us. Thanks to the super, Ethan.
One of us.
Hey, you guys. Made 100% on a bunch of spy calls today. A week ago, I made 100% on spy puts. I know, Big Dave, you're just the spy killer over here.
I love it. You love to see it. Love to see it. I don't know. I don't know what the play is for tomorrow. I'm probably just gonna pull my stuff out and just see what happens. Like today,
Yeah.
like even this morning with the spy calls, when it first opened in the red, and I was kind of like, what's going on here? Then it ran up a little bit, came back down a little bit, and I was just like, what am I doing here? And then they ended up playing out very well. But it wasn't a risk that I had to take. Like I could have got them yesterday. I could have got them this morning. So now I'm kind of looking at it, things like, you know, the night to day swings aren't necessarily paying out the way they should because the market's so up and down.
Uh-huh.
It's like if it's not a YOLO, forget it.
Yeah. People are asking you what car you're gonna get.
What car I'm gonna get?
Yeah. I don't think TMI needs a car.
Yeah, I'm keeping things low key. Like I'm gonna drive like an everyday. I'm gonna get a Jeep or a Honda Accord, like low key. You're not gonna be able to know where I am. You're not gonna be able to see who I'm with. If I do get a nice car, it'll be tinted windows.
There you go. My car was on the verge of bankruptcy, so I needed to do one.
Yeah, I forgot about that bad boy. Did you get it yet?
Yeah, I got it 2 days ago.
Ooh,
Dude, the interior looks the outside's nothing special.
Oh, dude, I saw it. I saw it yesterday.
Yeah, dude, the interior is so, especially at night with the lights in it, is so cool.
That's the best part. The thing is, like you want the part that you're gonna see the most often to look the best, especially if some.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
You know,
dude, they keep making jokes now. They're trying to get me to start talking to 30-year-olds.
For what?
I don't know. They're just like, hey, you need to get a 30-year-old in your life. And I'm like, for what purpose?
Oh, no. You do. I mean,
okay.
Like, I know with your life situation, you don't.
Oh, like, no, I do now.
Then you do. Oh,
okay.
But you do. I would even say 40. I would say
40? Nah, bro.
No. Like, let me tell you something. Okay.
You're gonna tell me something?
Start just experience pays. Okay, you guys chat. Let me know. All right. Give me some game. Like... Give me some game. Experience pays. This is not like going to a model. This is about how do I describe this stuff getting crazy? Come on now.
There's no
start high. Yeah, start high, work it down. Because this is the thing, right? I'm guessing they're just talking about they're not talking about the exterior, they're talking about the interior. If you're talking about the interior, you need a little more experience. Hey man, look. Just saying.
I'm not gonna say it, but like
this guy's trying to what's it called? He wants to buy a fixer-upper.
No, that's not. Hold on, that's not what I said.
No, I know. I'm just making a joke about it. Lower your standards, raise your average.
Nah, dude.
No. What I'm saying is no. What I was talking about, guys, is this, or people, I should say, guys, girls.
What's wrong with
if you're just talking about if you're just talking about having fun, and you're not talking about anything like long term, I'm just saying, go for experience. Have a veteran show you around, and then you can kind of break shit down.
I'll keep it in mind.
I mean, yeah, definitely do that. Let's see here. What was? I think you go 40, 35, 30, 40, and then you slow it down depending when you start to figure out where your thing is.
Okay. Johnny says, say Cougar Guru 3 times fast. Does that make one appear? Like, I don't understand. Is this like the mirror thing where like you say like Bloody Mary and it just they appear?
Something like that.
Dude, do you see what Phil just said?
No, what's Phil say?
Oh, I'll send it in the chat if you didn't see it. Dude, these afternoon streams have become so much fun.
1 minute? Oh yeah, last minute.
Oh shoot, yeah. All right, Amy's popping up a little. Micron holding it overnight. Spy. Ooh, Spy's going to finish out of the box. This looks good.
Okay, so I think I think too, I'll add into this. Younger, the more self-conscious you can be. At a certain age, people just don't give a fuck.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Whoa, look at these rips at the close. I think you might be right on that one.
But hey, don't take my word for it.
I won't. I won't. Don't worry. I won't. I'll figure it out.
Go find out.
I will. I got some time on my hands.
I'm like they do.
Oh God. Oh man.
Oh my goodness.
When are you streaming the earnings call?
I'm probably gonna start in like half an hour, maybe 4:30, and then I'm gonna have some Patty's Day drinks, drink and chill until the GME call usually is a few minutes. There, hey, yeah, we had we missed earnings by just 2% here. Our outlook for the year is pretty good. Here's our CFO. Here's our president. Here's our CEO.
Everybody wave, and that's
have a great night. That's it. The GME call's over. So we'll see what happens here. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Could be good. Then again, they could just freaking rock the party.
Yeah,
they could completely just shut shit down. You never know.
You do never know.
Let's see here.
Ooh, things are.
I mean, AMC finished down 3 cents today. No, sorry, 4 cents today. It's not bad.
GME closed up 83 cents.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. FedEx, let's rip. Oh yeah, I didn't want the FedEx. Dude, Micron's going up a little at the end of the day too. At the after hours. I like it. GME's up 0.92% after hours, 81 cents.
Oh, I think GME's gonna run after hours a little bit. They got to. Going into earnings, you never know.
Yeah, that's true.
But people are gonna want to, there's gonna be buying pressure coming in just in case something crazy happens, and then we'll see what happens. But I hope GME has like some sort of good news, even if it's not like Moas news, just like.
I think I had a little bit of a tinfoil hat theory. You know how every single like GME earnings call in the past has been like a letdown where they just like do the numbers, say a couple of things, and leave.
Yeah.
What if that was the plan? So that all of these analysts are going to come out. I don't know if they're going to do it this quarter, but eventually what I think they're going to do is make it in everybody's mind that their earnings are always going to be underwhelming. And then they're just going to slap people with the craziest earnings call with the NFT stuff and release the wildest news ever because none of the analysts or none of the market's going to price it in. Because they'll just continue to keep that trend of like, oh, weird earnings until they don't. And then boom.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think that like they could announce like for this one, they could announce the kickoff of their NFT platform, like the start date.
I think they definitely could.
Which would be amazing. If they did that, then that would put some sort of timeline on when they could start seeing revenue from their new platform, which could potentially bolster their next quarterly update, which means you could have like 90 days until they start freaking like becoming profitable, like extremely profitable.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like if they say like, hey, look,
want them to just keep it close, like they've been doing. Like, don't give anybody any hints,
but until
it can be more under, because then they can price it in, and then it may not rip as much. I want them just to come out and just hammer.
What I'm saying is like, but if they, well, it's either this. It's either they announce when it's going to start, or they just announce that it's live, a month from now or a few weeks from now, and then you're going to find out how much money they made at the next quarterly.
Yeah.
So it's like they could if they announce it's going to be live in a week's time or something like that, that'd be amazing because then they have the most amount of time to make as much money as possible before the next earnings.
Right.
If they go live like a month before the next earnings, it's going to be kind of like, okay, we're not going to see much revenue, but we'll get an idea for what it could make for the following one.
Exactly.
So it'll be cool.
That's not a bad idea. Let's see. I think I'm gonna end this stream, buddy. See if there's anything we need to update in a video tonight, and then stay tuned for the GME earnings call.
Do it up. All right, guys. Deuces, take care. Catching y'all later. And if not, don't forget when you guys leave the stream to make sure you guys smash the like button on the way out. Engage with the video. Don't be chickens. And for any of the ladies out there who are, 30 plus, don't feel free to hit my guy STV up with a DM.
Yeah, what's up, people?
We got our free agent people out here. It's free agent season.
Yeah.
Do you hear Baker Mayfield is requested a trade from the Browns?
Is he really?
Yeah, he's out. He's out at
Oh, wow.
5,000. All right, guys. What the fuck? FedEx is popping
FedEx.
up. Holy shit. All right, guys. Deuces.
Later, people.